Morning. Hey, babe. Hey, mixed bag. Good morning, Solano. Yo. Good morning. How is everyone? Tom, Sam, BB's handler, of course. Good morning. Good morning, Deezer, Jack. Nice to see you, Spyros. Blake is in the house. I didn't get your picks yet, so I'm waiting. Oh, I got to get a piece of paper out. Hold on, guys. Hold on. We need the piece of paper for Blake's picks, right? Good morning, Gilly. Nice to see you. Good morning, Mixed Bag, Kingfish. Nice to see you. Bob Barker. Nice to see you. Red Diamond. Good morning, Debs. Good morning. Shib moving nicely. Yeah, it is, guys. That Bitcoin's dominance is dropping. Good morning, Sam Garcia. God bless you and everyone. Let's keep it rolling. Yeah, there we go. I'm here to see the wizard. Is the wizard here? I don't know if we have a wizard here. We have a Chelsea here, right? Good morning, B-Dogs. Hey, Lauren with the Corgi. Nice to see you. I DM'd you some this morning. I didn't get it, right? Buenos dias, Skyman. Sean Legend, good morning. Bond, good morning. Nice to see you guys this morning. 29 people in the room, guys. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do crypto charts every single day. Did you long monad yesterday? Hillfire. I was in a monad trade. I got stopped out of it, and I haven't longed it again, but I will once it gets up and over that resistance level. Good morning, Angus. Nice to see you. Hillfire, did you? I hope you're winning. But shape for sure. Yeah, we'll do shape. My bad. No worries. Hey, Blake. It's all right, right? Oof. Not shape. Uh-oh. Give me another one. Give me another one. Yeah, we'll do ETH today, guys. Lordly, good morning. Guys, thank you for sharing the live. ARC is in the house. We have got an exciting day today. I am so glad it hit 37 something last night. Hailfire. I'm so glad you gave me that setup and we looked at that. Good morning, Shauna. Can you look at SHF? Sure. We'll take a look at SHF. Guys, thank you for sharing the live. Julie, good morning. Guys, please share the live out. That really gets it out to the algorithm. Obviously, today is an exciting day. We are breaking some resistance levels to the upside. Can we hold it? There's Cosmic, guys, my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show. It is today. Finally, we are here on Thursday. Give him a follow. He is my ultimate partner in that show. We have a great time. We're going to have a great time today, right? Come to that show, 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Give him a follow. He is a great creator. Obviously, one of my BFFs, or my BFF on this platform. Guys, give him a follow. He is a great creator, has a lot of information, has taught me so much about this market. Deserves the follow. Give him a follow. Dana, good morning. Living Life, good morning. Skyman, stuck in the range. Yeah, right? That 74.4 has proved to be a nemesis at best. Guys, thank you for the heart me's. I appreciate you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. Dill is in the house. Good morning. Nice to see you. Base for sure. Yeah, guys, let me just tell you. Blake is in our group, right off TikTok. Bob Barker, thank you. Dill, thank you. Living Life, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Fresh layers today. Yeah, we got those, right? Dill was live. No way. Dill, where were you live? I'm going to come see you live. Where were you live? Good morning. Guys, thank you so much for being in here, right? Starting off with the song, letting people get into the room. 72 people in the room. Guys, the best thing you can do for the channel, long on ZBCN, Shauna, I am too. That thing banged to the upside, right? It took a while, but it banged to the upside. Can we do ST also, please? Yeah, Blake. We'll take a couple, right? Scented Pleasures, good morning. Good morning, Sonoran Art. Nice to see you. Have a beautiful day as well. Guys, the best thing you can do for the channel is to press that repost button. Repost it out to as many people as you can, but to be honest, right, the best way you can do it is to repost it to your story. That really, really helps. That helps people get in here from the outside. We need new people in here, guys, right? Or else we're just splashing around in our own pool. And we don't want to do that. We want new people into crypto. Massive flags and cup and handles. You got it, Shauna, right? You got it, Shauna. It's breaking out of the weekly flag. We will take a look at ZBCN, guys. I am actually in that trade. So we will take a look at ZBCN. Guys, Mudang is a big mover too, right? If any of you guys aren't in there, we're going to take a look at that today as well. Let me write that down or else I'll forget. Here we go. Couple of things before we start, right? I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I a wizard, right? contrary to popular belief in this chat. I definitely am not, guys. I'm just human, right? I look at a chart. I look at it objectively. I tell you where support and resistance is. We look at levels, right? And those levels are way more important than our targets. If we look at the targets and we are up and over resistance, very, very good chance we will get stopped out. We do not want to do that. We re-enter on the retest. We enter on the retest. We don't enter on the breakout. Why? Because, guys, 75% of the time, that comes back down to retest that resistance as support. And if it doesn't, we're falling through, and then you'll get stopped out anyway, right? So that's what we do in here. I was just going to, TIA, yeah, we can take a look. Hey, ARC, nice to see you. ARC, I'm so glad you're in here this morning. Skyman's in here already. I'm sure Farrell will be in here. Guys, I'm sorry I was a little bit late. The assistant is in the house. Dina's in here. Nice to see you guys this morning. A couple of things before we start, right? Again, Mr. Black, thank you. I am not a financial advisor. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. You guys will get wrecked, right? Please do not. You should not be leverage trading unless you know how to chart, right? That is what we do in here. We do not just leverage trade live. I don't even trade live, guys. I am here to teach you how to chart. Why? Because it is a valuable skill regardless of whether you buy and hold or trade. If you know the levels, you can get better entries even on a buy and hold, guys. That is what we are here for. You know what? In my opinion, if you do not know how to chart and you do not know how that chart moves, right? You do not know what your bags are doing, right? That is a very, very good skill to have. Good morning, 501. Nice to see you. Rickus, good morning. Good morning, the Eric Watson. Guys, I have fire mods in here. Eric Watson, Money Talk, the assistant, Rude Boy, Sarah Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you so much for being in here and being my mods. You guys are fire. I appreciate it. I have been built by you guys. I know that. I will never stop being grateful for that. You guys allow me to do what I love to do every single morning. I'm going to put some another mix on. Hold on one second. We got to get, there we go. We'll put this on for a second. Guys, a couple of things. I have an off TikTok group. If you guys have not tried that out yet, please come in there and try that out. If you are looking for a group where you can grow and learn to chart and learn to leverage trade, that is what that group is here for. It is a classroom. It is not a signals group, guys. It is not something where we're just dropping signals. However, we have dropped a few very successful trade setups in there. If you want to get in there, it is called Level Up. Lauren, there we go. Good morning, Mr. Des. It is called Leveled Up. It is in the first link in the link in my bio. It is a 7-day free trial right now. Come and hop in. I teach in there every single day at 12. We have Skyman, Blake, Farrell. Who else is in there? Eric Watson, Lauren. Guys, they're cosmic. A lot of people are in there, guys. We are learning and growing together. If you don't have a community, right, you cannot successfully learn to trade, in my opinion, on your own, guys. You need people to support you because guess what? It is hard. Right? It is not easy. Any creator that tells you that is wrong and they're lying to you. It is not easy, even for me today, to trade. Right, guys? Good morning. Nice to see you. BTC, we're going to go there. Hello, Deadpool. Nice to see you. Guys, secondly, I am sponsored by Bitunix. Right? I have a campaign going on right now. 20% bonus for deposit on anything you deposit over $100 up to a $400 bonus. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. I am fully transparent about that, right? That actually supports the channel. If you are a leverage trader and you have not tried Bitunix, only if you know how to leverage trade, guys. I don't want you losing money on my watch, right? But if you do, this is a great bonus. Even if you have a Bitunix account, you can start a new one with my campaign. It is non-KYC. You can use it in the United States. Please go ahead and try it if you are a leverage trader. Not only that, we have a trading competition going on right now with up to $12,000 in prizes. If you guys are a leverage trader, come on in and trade with us, right? There are not a lot of people in that campaign. Very, very good chance you could win a prize. So please come in and join that. I'm going to be making a post later on today about that. Grand Rising. Hey, Bagman is in the house, guys. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, we're going to get to the charts, right? Again, what we do in here is we find the levels of support and resistance. We find patterns in here. I teach you how to measure the patterns, right? Good morning, Sonia. I am so glad you're here, Sonia. Thank you so much for the follow. Charts are messy. Here, guys, This is my motto. My charts are messy. Thank you, Sonia. 501, Rickus, Dina, thank you so much. Guys, my charts are messy. My thoughts are organized. And if you stick in here long enough, I am sure you will learn something. Our chat is nice and kind and welcoming and respectful and educated. There is no question that is too small or too stupid for this chat. Pop it in there. We'll answer it, right? Skyman says, where to get this form? Sonia, what are you asking? Where to log in at? You go to the first link in the link in my bio. If you want to try those classes, it's 7 days free right now. Come in and join us and learn how to chart. And if you find its value, stay. Right, guys? I know it is a paid group. However, a lot of the people in that group have already made their subscription back in just a couple of weeks. Okay? Joe Cluxton, thank you so much. Guys, we're going to go to the charts now. We're going to put on a little Phil Collins this morning. We're going to get into it. Cosmic Crypto is in the house, guys. Give him a follow. I will yell great creators that I respect. And obviously, he's my partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show, guys. It's today at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You want to come jump in there? Please do. It is for new crypto people, old crypto people, people who just want to laugh. Come and hang out with us. We do crypto news, crypto charts. We talk about crypto current events, guys, and we laugh a lot. So come hang out with us today. Guys, if you could share the live, let's get into the charts. And we are going to get started here. I'm going to put a little Phil Collins in because that's what I'm in the mood for this morning. We'll go to some old school R&B later and rap and hip hop, whatever you want to hear in here. Crypto, stock, Marcus, nice to see you. Joe Cluxton, thank you. Guys, one more thing. I'm emotional. I sold 2 days ago. I hate waiting for a pullback. Guys, you got to wait for that pullback and re-enter on the retest, right? That's what we do in here. One last thing, guys. You guys allow me to pay it forward every single day. The gifts in here, 90% of them, and the only reason why I say 90% is because there is 10% that goes back to creators on this platform. 90% of those gifts are going to a young woman who was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. She is a niece of someone in our community here. And for this month, they're going to her GoFundMe. So anything you guys send me, thank you so much for that. I love that more than it going to me. I love to pay it forward. That's what we should be doing as humans every single day. Let's go. Shauna, is it breaking out? Oh my God, I'm afraid to look at my trades right now, right? It's hard to manage trades on here, guys, but I may have to, right? If we take a big dip. Good morning, NFT Wizard. Let's go, girl. Shauna, let's go. Right, here we go, guys. We're going to go to BTC first. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make myself small so I can make the chart big. And we are going to get to charting today. We're going to start off with BTC. Here we go. BTC breakout. Guys, we finally got over that 74.4. Lord, I want to know this so bad. Sonia, come jump into our group and see what it's like, right? You can, guys, even if you cannot jump into that group, right? Or there's no way that you can do it right now. I am here for free every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I teach every morning in here too, right? Chris, thank you so much. Nice to see you, right? Skyman says there's an inverse on the 12-minute. Let's go, guys. Here we go. We're going to start off with Bitcoin. Sorry, guys. LOL, you always say you're going to make yourself small, but it's still, guys, on the landscape, it's small, right? On the portrait, I'm the same size. Do you teach beginner style? Yes. Pretty much, I will say like 70% of the people in my class are beginners, right? Scented Pleasures, nice to see you. Lego Franklin, thank you. Guys, if you haven't followed me, it doesn't change for us. There we go, Cosmic. Guys, if you are in here for the first time and you haven't followed me, please click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Guys, thank you so much. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I have about 300, right? And they will try to scam you in your DMs, so please follow me directly from here. I longed Bio Protocol. It went up 99%. Joe Cluxton, that is a win. Guys, if you are winning your trades in here, put a W in the chat. If you have won a trade over the last day, put a W in the chat. We'd love to celebrate with you. That is what we do in here. Let's go to the chart, guys. BTC at 74,768. Look at all those W's. Lego, Mixed Bag, Joe, congratulations, guys. Angus, there we go, guys. Stay printing, says Bagman. He's always printing. Bagman, I'm glad you're here. Skyman, 12-minute W. There we go, Cosmic W. Eve W. Let's go, guys. Look at that. Here we go. We're going to start off on the 8 hour. Can we look at Skool? Yeah, we can, Chris. I have a stupid cough drop stuck in my teeth this morning. Liquidity at 75, 265. Guys, let's go. Let's go. Skyman, I'm so glad you're in here this morning. Formix, W, Eric, W. Guys, look at all these wins in here. Let's go. Guys, we are all about the why and not the win. And if you know the why, you get the win. That is what we do in here. Here we go, guys. I'm going to go to the 8 hour. We're going to start off on the 8 hour. Why? Because we start off on the higher time frames. We work through the lower time frames. We try and figure out by the majority what the chart is doing. Rick is Morty, WWW. There we go. Velvet Tides. There we go. I would like to see what you're seeing on ZBCN. Yeah, guys, I'm going to go to ZBCN right after this, and then we're going to go to XRP. Blake says huge WWW. Let's go. Here we go, guys. On the 8 hour for Bitcoin. I don't know where there's such a big pause in between the music. It makes me feel like I'm on display here. Here we go, guys. If you guys could share out the live, that would be awesome. Just repost it. I'm getting a little bit of squash by the algorithm lately. That would really, really help. If you share it, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for doing that. Here we go, guys. We are in a what? Guys, on BTC on the 8 hour, we have just broken out of, if you're a bear, your sidelines, bears are cooked right now. They are, JC. Does that mean forever? No, it doesn't, right? I am still midterm bearish, guys, until we get out of this channel. We get out of this channel, I'm a little bit more bullish. BTC dominance, 1 hour and 4 hour head and shoulder. Guys, I posted this last night on my story and in a post. The BTC dominance was coming down. I reposted it this morning with last night to today. Guess what? That thing is falling. Let's go, right? Here we go. We are in a shoulder. You sure did. Guys, we called it yesterday on the Bitcoin dominance. We actually talked about it in here, right? And that is not, hey, Eric Watson, Sonia, Marty, thank you so much for the gifts. That is not a pat on the back to me. That is what the charts were saying, right, guys? I don't care if I'm right. Or I don't care if I'm right. I don't care. I care that we read the charts objectively. And that's what we did. Here we go, guys. 8 hour. Also had some bear divs, high time frames. You got it. Skyman, you got it. Right? Guys, I love when Bitcoin dominance falls. Guess what that means? Our alts have the room to run. Right? Here we go. The BTC inverse indicator is failing. There we go, guys. USDT dominance, that's coming down too. We look at these alts, they're strong. We're going to get to the alts quickly today because I know that's what everybody wants to look at. Here we go, guys. BTC, what have we broken out of? In inverted head and shoulders on the 8 hour. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside. And guess what? Epic One is in the house. Give him a follow. And guess what? Thank you so much for being here. Here we go. Order that damn glass pineapple, says Blake. Blake, there we go. Look at this. We are now in a bull flag that is breaking out as well. Here is the shoulder. Here is the head. Here is the shoulder. Guys, we already had this pegged. This is where we broke out from. Here is the bull flag. We are in a bull flag at the end of the inverse head and shoulders. Long. Let's see. Here we go. Here is the pole. Here is the flag. Guys, you measure the pole from the top of the pole to the bottom. You take this to the supposed breakout. There it is. But not only that, there's more, right? There's more. Here is the more, guys, right? You take the an inverted head and shoulders. You take from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the head, which actually isn't here. It is actually here, guys, right? We bring this all the way down. We take this up. Look at where this takes us to the top of the channel, guys. Look at the Stokes and the RSI. Stokes are right at the bottom of the channel. Are we back, PB? It's looking like we're back for a short-term epic one. Here we go. Stokes, guys, are turning at the bottom of the channel. Do we have a money flip? Yes, we do. We have a money flip. The Derek is in the house. Good morning. Like magic, I'm already up 90% profit. Timber, epic one, thank you so much. Bullish, baby. Yeah, we are right now, right? Here we go. Look at this right here, guys. We've got a money flip on the Stokes to the upside. What does that mean? When you see a magic bow tie at the bottom of the Stokes, money and the direction are flipping. We are flipping on the 8 hour, which you guys know is my favorite time frame. Why is it my favorite time frame? Because the 8 hour, Nick, good morning. Thank you. Right? Hey, I love crypto. Hopefully. There we go. Tom, nice to see you. Guys, why do I love the 8 hour? It is between the 4 hour and the 1 day that higher time frame traders wait heavily. It gives you a cross section in between those two time frames so you can see where this is going clearly, right? 8 hour and 7 minute, my favorite time frames. 8 hour is looking uber bullish right now. We not only have a bull flag right here, guys, we never get too bullish, right? We're going to give you the bullish and the bearish case. Why? Because the charts do what they do. I have no control over that. What I do have control over is how I'm looking at the charts, and we can pivot and change just as soon as the charts do. We have to remain fluid, you guys. As traders and as chartists, we have to remain fluid, right? We never, ever pick one way and stick with it and get too biased that we can't see the other side of the coin, right? 12 hour and 16 hour bearish divergence still in play. Be cautious above 76K. Exactly, Skyman. Guys, Skyman is a G. He's in here every day. We have great educated people in here. That is one of them. Thank you so much, Skyman, right? Here we go. We are coming up to the upside. Guys, where do we have to get over here? So not only do we have this bull flag here on the 8 hour, the money flow is flipping at the bottom. We also have the Stokes trying to curve up, the RSI trying to curve up. What does that tell us? When the RSI and the Stokes are headed the exact same direction, guys, that is strength. A close above it will complete a bullish ascending triangle pattern. There we go, Bagman. He's another one. Woohoo, said Blake. There we go. What about dominance? It's dropping, Kareem, right? So when we go to the alts, we'll see these running. Here we go, guys. If we break out of this level, this is a level to watch, 75,290. That is your first level to the upside. We break that. We need to break above this wick right here. Why do we have to break above that, guys? Because look at, this is what Bagman and Skyman are talking about, 76K. It is a potential double top. It is right here. Here would be the first top. Here would be the second top. Guys, we cannot get over 76. This is over, and we're rolling over and coming down to the downside. That clears a path for a rally to sub 84. Yes, it does. We need to get up and over a 76. That clears the path to 80K, in my opinion. Not 84 yet. We need to get up and over that channel to go to 84, right? Here's your first level to the upside, 75,199. Second level to the upside that we need to break, right, is 76,150. Money Monster, Timber, Epic One, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Thank you so much to my mods. Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Sarah Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, Dream to Action, and B Rose. You guys are fire. Thank you so much for helping this stream run as smoothly as it does, right? Here we go, guys. We break both of those levels to the upside. Here we have a target of the bull flag, 78,828. We break that up in when we need a retest before going up past 76K. In my opinion, yes. I would love a retest there. Why? Because guys, if we come up to 76 and we start powering up, but we don't come down to retest this resistance as support, very, very good chance we could roll over, right? And right now, I will say the 8 hours is starting to roll over a bit. We have to watch that 76K mark. All right. Next level is here. It's not a level, it's a target. There's a difference between targets and levels. Targets are not as important, right? If you take my targets in here, you place trades without abiding by resistance or support, very, very likely you're going to get wrecked, guys. 78,773 is the target of the bull flag, and then we go to the top of the channel at 80K, right? Guys, we breach 80K. What are we breaching? If we breach 80K and we start to break out, we are invalidating, and we come back to retest this top trend line right here of that rising channel. That rising channel is a bear flag of the daily. If we come up here, break out, and come back down here to retest it, guys, where could we go? Here it is. First level to the upside, 84,732. That is what Bagman is talking about. That's what we need to get up and above, right? We get up and above that, guys, and up and above 88, we have a run. Then I am 50% bullish. We get up and over 88, I am 50% bullish, right? We get up and over 108.8. There's Sleeps. Nice to see you. Guys, give Sleeps a follow. He is a great creator as well. Thank you so much for coming in here today. He talks a lot about safety, something that we need to talk more about in this space, right? Here we go. 108.8, guys, is my level to flip fully bullish. Not on alt, on Bitcoin. Market sentiment already bullish. We good. There we go, the Derek. Always telling the truth. Always giving us the deets. Here we go, guys. to the upside. Those are your levels. What are your levels to the downside? We're going to go down through the time frames. I'm going to give you the levels first, though. Why? Because we need to watch these. First level to the downside is right on this diagonal trend line. Targets for the bagman are 76, 77, 113, and 78, 733. Bagman, our targets are close. I can bet Skyman's and Pharaoh's are too, right? Here we go. Excuse me, guys. I just need a sip of water. I'm yelling this morning because I'm excited. All right, here we go, guys. First level to the downside, we need to hold this diagonal trend line right here. See this? We need to hold this at 74, 178. We don't hold that, very, very good chance we are going to fall down to this level right here at 73, 782. We're losing support. Not in a huge way, PBTC. Not yet. Not in a huge way. Right? 74, 292. POC. There we go. Skyman, 74, 292. POC, guys. We could hold that level. We hold that level. We can bounce off. Thank you so much, Skyman. Guys, I love being around people who know more than I do and in different areas and use different strategies. Why? Because they give us another view into what we're looking at. Quirk Label, nice to see you. Here we go. We lose this level of diagonal resistance. Here's your next level to the downside, 73, 694. Major support, guys. We lose that, we're in a little bit of trouble. And this is why. It's not just because we're losing that. If we lose that and we open candles under the moving averages, that will be a problem for me. Okay? We're going to go to the lower time frame, 74,019, value area low, last support before 73. Guys, you hear Skyman? Right? Daily range, 75,317, 73,555. Thanks, Bagman. Right? If we get rejected at 76, it could be a quick or maybe couple nudges to confirm. Exactly. Right? Let's bring the bull run back. Exactly. Skyman says, guys, this is important. 74,019, value area low, last support. We need to hold 74,019 if we want to hold this. Right? And we want to bump out of there. 73 before 73. Thank you so much, Skyman. Here we go, guys. We're going to go to the 4 hour, then the 1 hour, then the 15 minute. Why do we do that? Because all the time frames work together as if there was a wave way out in the ocean, right? Building momentum. That is what the time frames do. They work together to get the wave to the shore, right? And if they work together to get the wave to the shore, why would we just look at one time frame, right? Guys, altar exploding. Let's go. Guys, if you are in here and you haven't followed me and you would like to, there's 161 people in the room. So I know there are some new people. Please follow me directly from the live. Click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. I have about 300 of them. They will try to scam you in your DMs. You will not be able to find me afterwards. So please, please follow me directly from the live. It is a safety thing, not a follower count thing. I don't care about my follower count numbers, right? Here we go, guys. Look at the 4 hour. Let's go. Head and shoulders forming on the weekly BTC dominance cream. Absolutely, guys. If you want to look at that actual head and shoulders, it is in my last post on my timeline on TikTok. I posted it last night before it dropped and today, right? To show the difference. And it is coming down, right? That head and shoulders is killing it on BTC dominance. The ETH isn't going. Why? I don't know. Because it had a little bump up yesterday. Mine Deuces, nice to see you. We're bullish today, right? Here we go, guys. 4 hour. We just looked at the 8 hour. 8 hour RSI is trying to roll over a little bit. Seems money is rotating to small caps. Yeah, it does. And guys, I will say, my partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show, he has been saying that there is a rotation coming, and he was right? He was right. Guys, give Cosmic Crypto a follow. He is a great, great creator on this app. Cosmic, post a comment so they can follow you. All right, here we go. Guys, we are rolling up. Now, BTC just needs to close above 50%. There he is, guys. Give him a follow. Guys, we have a show today, 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out with us, right? Come hang out with us. It is so much fun. Skate Mouth, nice to see you. Thank you. Money Monster, James, thank you for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hour RSI. We're curving up, guys. We're curving up, right? We do guys, we're starting a little bit of an altcoin season, I believe, right? The alts are running. Bitcoin dominance is falling. That is a very, very good sign, right? And we have been saying in here for a while that a lot of the meme coins, especially, were looking like they were bottoming at the bottom of a falling wedge, right? When that happens, you have to heed that. Salty Dog, good morning. The show at 3:15 is so much fun. Thank you so much, Lena. Here we go, guys. We are curving on the 4 hour. However, The Stokes are pointed down. Jessica Pennington is in the house. I'm buying a yacht, says the Derek. Oh, guys, the Derek, he cracks me up. I'm so glad you stumbled in here one day, right? You and the Lewis. Here we go. Here we go, guys. We're curving up on the RSI for the 4 hour, right? We also do have the Stokes pointed down, so we have to watch this, right? 4 hours looking pretty good right now. Let's go to the 1 hour. What is the 1 hour doing? Do I think that was the bottom? Guys, I'm not going to call the bottom yet. What I will say is on a lot of the meme coins, I have a falling wedge that has broken out, right? On a very high time frame. So do I think it's the bottom for some things? Yes, I do. Right? For everything, I still see more downside for BTC. That will not be invalidated until we get up and over 87K. Okay? We get up and over 87K. I'll be close to calling that I'm halfway bullish, right? But I'm not going to call the bottom for BTC. However, I will say some of these that we're looking at today, I think may have been at the bottom. Does it mean we won't go and retest that bottom again? No, it doesn't, right? XDC has a nice bottom. Yeah, so does SHIB, Mudang, Doge, Bonk. Guys, meme coins are telling us the story right now. And we've been saying that in here for a while. What do I think of SEI? Like SEI, right? 76 breaks. There's, guys, 76 breaks. There's also the top of the 4 hour channel at 76.8 strong resistance. Listen to Skyman, guys. Bullish on Solana memes or memes in general. I've always been bullish on memes, guys. But high cap memes that have been around for a while, right? What do you think of AI tech? I don't, right? I haven't looked at that in a really long time, Toms, right? Here we go, SMH. I was looking at the old chart. I'm sorry, the daily ranges from 75, 278 to 74, 278. Guys, I am so glad you're in here today. What a great day to be alive and in crypto, right? Let's go. Farrell Candles just walked into the room. Farrell, good morning. What are you seeing? Let us know. ADA. We can take a look at ADA if we have some time. Here we go, guys. Guys, 182 people in the room. Thank you so much for being in here. You're so pretty. Thank you so much, Cream. I appreciate it. Guys, if you could share this live out, that would be the best thing for us right now. A lot of people looking for crypto content. Why not be here, right? If you could share it out, that would be awesome. Hiya. Macios for crypto. Michelle McGann is in the house. Thank you so much for the jellyfish. I love those things. Nice to see you, Michelle. I'm so glad you're here this morning. Look at what the cat dragged in, said the Derek. Farrell, you're in the house. You've got a little bit of a fan in Derek, I think. Right? Good morning, Michelle. I'm so glad to see you. I hope everything is going well with you and your dad. I'm praying for you often. Thank you so much for making the time to be in here this morning. Guys, thank you so much for sharing the live. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. The 1 hour is looking like it wants to roll over a little bit. What are we seeing here, guys? Now, here is the key, right? Good morning. I've missed you and Farrell. Good morning, George. We missed you. I'm so glad to see you here this morning. INJ, we'll try. Guys, we're going to rush through some of these alts today. VIX, crude, yields, bear sentiment, metals, currencies, bull sentiment, macro buffer still in place. We got it. Farrell, I'm so glad you're here. You prepared for today? Guys, Farrell is our resident VIX expert. Give her a follow. She is doing a lot of things to bring some attention into the TikTok communities on crypto with some of the companies. We appreciate you. We appreciate your information in here every single day. Here we go, guys. 1 hour is rolling over a little bit. Where could we go from here? We know we would love to hang on to this diagonal trend line right here at 74,216. Also, we bleed this level right here. What I can say is this, Skyman, you seeing this head and shoulders, right? Farrell is a genius. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. When she talks in our group, guys, you can hear a pin drop. Skyman, you seeing this? Look at this, guys. What am I seeing here? Do I think it could dump? It could always dump, guys, right? It could always dump. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a chick, usually with a backwards hat, and I definitely have a crop top on today. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know exactly where we're going. What I do, I like Peanut the squirrel too. I am a squirrel, right? You can just see, I just did it. Just did it. ADHD coming in hard today. 72,852 is possible if we push to the downside. Yeah, it is. So look at this, guys. We do have a little shoulder, head, shoulder on this diagonal trend line right here. If this does break down, this will break us down past that support. Am I using trading bots? Never. Guys, I do not use trading bots. Do I think that they're a good thing? They can be, right? If you know what you are doing and you develop one yourself with your strategy. Otherwise, I don't use them. Why? Because someone else controls those. Why would I want somebody else controlling my trades, right? I think that you should always be managing your trades yourself, in my opinion. Am I going to short? No, I'm not going to short, guys, because my entry levels are way lower than this, and they're all on alt. Yep. Yes, Skyman, look at this head and shoulders. Here it is, guys. You measure a head and shoulders. I'm going to lengthen this out so you can see it. And actually, we'll make my chart a little bigger. There we go. Here we go. Oh, there it is, breaking down right now. Here we go. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. You measure from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. Guess what? Breaking down. Do I teach? Yeah, Gidu, I do teach. Guys, I have an off TikTok community. It is in the first link and the link in my bio. If you guys want to come and try it out, it's 7 days free. First link in the link in my bio. It is called the Level Up Crypto Community. And I teach in there every single day. It is not a signals group. I teach in there a class every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, I'm trying to add value in there wherever possible. We have a great group in there. Come in and try it out. 7 days free. The Bears are here this morning. Are they here? I don't know. Skool is cool. It's for the cool kids, says Lauren. There we go. Guys, here we go. We break down this head and shoulders. Oh, look at this. It's breaking us past. Oh, so guys, here we go. You guys know that I love patterns into patterns. Watch this, right? Dump on the way, possibly. Guys, here we go. We break down to this level right here at 73,752. Look at this. Join already. Blake says, join already, guys. Don't wait, right? Blake's in there. He's dropping his picks every day. Pharaoh's in there. Skyman's in there. Guys, come jump in, right? Michelle, thank you so much for the jellyfish. Here we go. Oh, look at this, guys. It's going to hit the target, I'm sure, unless we can hold on to this level, 73,752, right? Guys, we don't hold on to 73,752. Let me show you where I think we're going. And it is here. We're going to remove these lines. I know my charts are messy. My thoughts are organized. Here we go, guys. If we bleed this down right now and we do not hold this, right? We're going to go down to the lower time frames. Eric Watson is in the house. He is one of the mods in Skool as well. Here we go, guys. Oh, look at that target hit, guys. I love when this happens on the live. Look at that target hit, right? Right there. Plain as day, pattern into a target, hit, done. Now what do? We go into another pattern, and here it is, guys. I hate to say it, but here it is. We've got another head and shoulders here. We are sitting right on that support line right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. Guys, if we bleed this down, here is where we are going. It is right here. You measure from the top of the head. Actually, it's more of a cat ears pattern, guys. You measure from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line right here. You drag this down to the supposed breakout. Look at this, gonna hit that target now again. Guys, this is why charting works. VIX and crude vertical diving bears, downside fast and hard. Here we go, guys. 74, 188 liquidity zone. There we go. Sorry I'm late. There we go to the bearish party. No, we're not bearish, Primo. We're not bearish, right? Because, guys, look at this. We also have a diagonal support right here. So, this head and shoulders or cat ears pattern, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. Cat ears, one ear, head, second ear to the downside, guys. Our target is right here at 72,918. That's not a head and shoulders, Garcia. I beg to differ. It's going to break down just like one, right? Wonky and slanted patterns break down just like perfectly placed patterns 85 to 90% of the time. We have done it in here more often than not. I hope you say Garcia, right? B-Dogs, thank you for sharing the live. Sweep bridging to greater markets. Let's go. M pattern, 10 hour. Gonna tap it and run, I hope, J-Toms. Here we go, guys. We break this down to the target. We just hit one of our targets right here. Second target is right here at 72,944. And what is that on, guys? We do have a diagonal trend line. It is right here. This diagonal trend line extends out. Look at that. Guys, it is mathy math. Can someone, that's a big Bart Simpson pattern. Garcia, you listen, we all see things differently. This is what I see right now. And I don't really see a Bart Simpson pattern, but could be, right? But could be. Here we go, guys. We'll see if it breaks down to this target, right? Then we'll know. But what I'm saying is this. Thank you, Cosmic, for muting that person. Garcia, we see things very differently in here. I respect everyone's strategy. We all use different strategies. And what we do in here, there's a lot of people that use different strategies. What we do is we work together as a team to try and figure out what's going on. I hope you stay and chill and hang out with us, right? We love new people in here. Why the 1 hour chart? Actually, I started on the 8 hour. You just came in a little bit late, Michael. right? We always start off on the daily or the 8-hour, and we work our way through the time frames. You are talking but saying nothing. Oh, the haters want to come out today. I love haters, guys. We've turned a lot of haters into lovers in here. So I hope you stay. Here we go. Money flow, hard drive into safety, out of risk, bear sentiment for crypto. We're going to go to the lower time frames and see what is happening here. Guys, here's our next level to the downside. It is right here at this diagonal trend line. It's also a target. Where are they? I don't know, Shauna. No hate facts. That's okay, Geraldine. I appreciate you. I leveraged 30x and made 20K. There we go. Congratulations. You're not bearish. I am not super bearish right now. No, I'm not. Here we go. I'm bearish midterm. How many times will you appear on my For You page? Smile, question mark is in the house. Nice to see you. Oh, guys, I'm not going to answer any trading comments about whether I'm trading. Why would I chart if I wasn't trading, right? Why would I chart and know this and not trade? That doesn't mean you can't chart and not trade, right? Because you can just chart and buy and hold. However, yes, I'm trading. It's a sweeperoonie. Guys, here we go. Down here to 72,918. Skyman, was that one of your levels? Was that one of your levels? Here we go, guys. Let's go to the lower time frames. Let's see if they're turning, right? Let's see if they're turning. It's kind of hard to explain 2,000 hours of seeing market conditions to random haters. Yeah, Jordan, right? I'm not going to explain myself anymore. You want a deposit bonus? Oh, God. Here we go. Guys. Here we go, guys. I saw someone made it. Guys, I'm going to be very transparent here because I want to address this. I saw one of our community members who was also a trader, make a video yesterday about Bitunix and that creators are making money off of people trading on Bitunix. I am fully transparent about that. I absolutely make money off of people using my affiliate link, right? But what he also said was untrue. No one makes 80% of trading volume or of the fees. That is not what my deal is, not even close. So just so you guys know that what it was said in that video is completely untrue. And if I have to prove it, I will, right? We are long. Here we go. But I don't feel like I have to because, guys, I'm in here every day for free at 9:15 every single day. I think I have done more hours than a lot of people on here. And the people that are talking about other people on this app are not going live, right? So here we go. Bounce off the second level, 73,551. There we go. Guys, Bagman is telling us we may have a bounce off of here. Let's go to the 30-minute. We're on the 1 hour right now. Let's see if we see the Stokes and the RSI curving. Here we go, guys. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Right? 30 minutes. Still looking down. Right? Still looking down. Here we go. They are jealous you have a community. Guys, I just am trying to do good for everyone, right? That's it. That's why I'm on here. I have a community because I think it's better to learn in a smaller atmosphere. And obviously, this is my full-time job. Primo, Jimbo, of course I just spilled my water, right? Here we go. Break this down, guys. Where are we headed? We're curving now, guys. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's see if we are curving on the 15-minute. We're going to get through Bitcoin, and then we're going to go to the altcoins, right? I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for being here, guys. What a great song. Jump, right? Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my community. You guys, this is such a great place to be. Thank you so much for allowing me to do what I love every single day. I appreciate everyone in here. Thank you to my mods, Money Talk, Eric Watson, Rude Boy, Assistant, Sarah Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you for being my mods in here. We'll do SHIB today, for sure. Here we go. Bear sentiment is hot and not playing. Downside imminent and durable so far. Guys, listen to Farrell. We have some downside and we can see it. Why can we see it? Head and shoulders right here. Broke down directly to the target. Guess what? We have another cat ears pattern right here. This is going to break down to the target. If we keep on going, and guess what? It looks like it wants it. What up, BV? Hey, the Green Hornet. Guys, give him a follow. He is a great creator. How old am I? I am 44 years old or young, whichever one you want to look at it, right? 44 years old. 12-minute cat. Here we go, guys. We're going to go down to the 12-minute. 44 years young, you got it, right? Here we go. Here we go. Guys, give Green Hornet a follow. He gives you the liquidation levels every day. He is a great creator. Cosmic Crypto is in the house. Epic One is in the house. Cosmic Crypto is my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show. It is today at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come visit us, right? Here we go. I need the 72,750 to cash out my shorts. Uh-oh, Primo, let's go. Here we go, guys. Next target of the downside is here at 72,905. 12 ears, cat ears pattern. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Nil says hi, says Cosmic. He's not in the basement. Come on, and neither are you, right? Just Wiki follow. Guys, thank you so much for the follows. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, 12 minutes. Trying to pop up. We're trying to hold this level right here. We hold this level, we can pop up and keep on going. We do not. We're coming further down, right? We are trying to pop up right here. Let's go. Just in Charles Schwab to add Bitcoin trading directly, 75-point basis. Jordan, thank you so much for dropping that. Richard, good morning. Guys, thank you for the follows. Please follow me directly from the live if you haven't followed me. Click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. I have about 300. They will try to scam you. You will not be able to find me after this live. Please click my photo. Follow me right now from this live. Head and Shoulders on the weekly dominance. Altcoin season soon. Yeah, guys, you want to see the dominance? I have a post on my TikTok. After this, you can go there. You can save the post and see where that Head and Shoulders is going. I posted it last night before it dropped, right? And we talked about it in here before it dropped yesterday, too. Here we go. 12 minute. Looking like we want to pick up 7 minute, but we're still not picking up, guys. I think we want to head to this level, right? We need to hold this right now. Let's see the 5 minute and the 3 and see if, oh, no. Look at what's happening here, guys. Guess what? We've got a bear flag here. Here's the pole right here. Let's lengthen this out so that you can see it. How do you measure a bear flag, guys? Right? You measure from the top of the pole to the bottom. You take this to the supposed breakout. Guys, that's where it wants to go. Right there. That's where it wants to go. Liquidity at 73. Lewis is in the house. Good morning, everyone. He says, there is no more boring from Lewis. What a happy day. Lewis, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, Lewis is in here without the boring. Not boring. One for freedom. Jimbo, the Green Hornet, thank you so much for the gifts. Guys, this is telling you where it wants to go. Where does it want to go, guys? Right? It wants to go all the way down to this level. When you have a pattern, morning sunshine, says Lauren. There we go. When you have a pattern that brings you directly to support or resistance, and you have another bearish pattern bringing you there, guys, the chart is telling you where they want to go. Bears effectively pulling the S&P off the JPM collar. This is a protective bear cycle. What does that mean, Farrell? Can you be a little bit more descriptive? How do you have so much energy? I don't know. I wake up in the morning with this. Guys, crypto gives me energy. Doing what you love gives you energy. This gives me energy to be here with you guys every single morning. Thank you so much. Guys, if we could share this live out, that would be awesome. Everyone just push that share button one time. There's 231 people in here. We can get out to 231 more or more if we share this out. Please share this out. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. We are now building a bull flag within the bear flag. There are two options here. We either break this bear flag down or we break this bull flag up. Here we go, guys. We break this bull flag up. We can still fall down in the bear flag. Derek Holmes, how is it possible to have so much money? Derek is just, he's like Scrooge McDuck, where Scrooge just jumps into his money pit. That's what Derek is doing right now. He's taking a dive into his money vault filled with gold coins, right, the Derek? So could it go up or down? Amazing. It can always go up or down, VC. Always, right? That's why we don't give you a direction, and I don't make predictions. You guys will never see me predicting an actual level. I think I did that once early in my career, and guess what? I was wrong. And most creators are when they predict actual price levels. All right? Here, these aren't predictions, guys. These are what the chart is telling us. These are the measurements of the patterns. That is different, right? Here we go. We either break up in this bull flag. You have got to see the bullish and the bearish patterns. You guys see this? Here we go, right? We have a bear flag right here. This bear flag could break us down to this level. However, we are now building a bull flag. Here is the pole. Here is the flag. This breaks us up to here and gets us up and over that. Guys, we can keep going, right? D. Hardy, good morning. Nice to see you. So here we go, guys. We are now tilted up on the 5 minute. RSI 6 is looking to push through the 12 and the 24 to the upside. That is a bullish thing, but the other time frames have to cooperate, or else we're going to roll over and come down and break down that bear flag. All right? here is what I want, guys. I'm going to go to some of the alts so that we have enough time to do a lot of them. What I need is this, right? That's literally the market, bro. Exactly, Fight Clips, right? That's the market. Guys, I always love when people say, okay, so you're saying it could go up or down. Guys, the chart goes up or down. Why shouldn't we, right? Why shouldn't we? 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour before we go. I'm going to give you guys the levels. When it breaks one of these levels, I need you to scream at me in the chat, right? Here we go. Bagman. Yikes. 12-hour bear flag looking to confirm. This is not a good thing, guys. What I will say is this. Here are your levels. We break this level to the downside, right? This level right here, this diagonal trend line right here. We break this. I need you guys to scream at me in the chat. 72,112. That 1 hour could pop up, but look at the Stokes and the RSI, guys. The RSI 6 is looking to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Stokes are rolling over. This is not a good sign, right? Could it pop? Yeah. Bear div. Yep, absolutely. Guys, here we go. We break this level. I'm going to go to some of the alts while Bitcoin is doing its thing. 72,261. We break that level. Yell at me in the chat. The 1 hour is trying to hold. It is, right? But those lower time frames have to gang up on the 1 hour to keep us up, right? Here we go, guys. We break this level right here at 72,172. Or we come up here and we break this level again at my nemesis. 74,531. Bullster, nice to see you. We break that level to the upside or that level to the downside. I need you guys to scream at me in the chat, okay? Weekend dump, maybe, right? Maybe. Guys, here we go. I am going to go to some of the alts right now. We're going to go to, what did I say we were going to do first? Anyone remember? Because I never do, right? I never do. What did I say I was going to do first? ZBCN? Let's do ZBCN first. Here we go, guys. Look at this thing. All right, guys, this is a trade that I am in. We're going to do, we'll do ETH, right? We're going to do alts. Guys, if Bitcoin makes a big move, I have my little thing right here that tells me this is the coolest thing my assistant got me. So I do. However, I'm not always looking at that. So we're going to do ZBCN first. Here we go, guys. This is what we had in store. I am in this trade, right? I have been in this trade for 5 days. It is the longest time I have ever been in a trade, guys, ever. So this goes to show you, if you are trying to trade and you are starting to trade, guys, you plan your trades more than you are in them and you are patient with them. Bull pop coming in on reversal of the VIX. Sharp, 15 to 20% of bear drive. Farrell, bear or bull for crypto? Bull, right? Is that what you're saying? Oh my God, Mr. Slippers, what's the coin? This is ZBCN, guys. I've been in this trade for 5 days. Right? I've been in 3 trades for 5 days, the longest I have ever been in trades. What does that tell you? Hot bull pop, let's go. Guys, I called ZBCN 2 months ago. Yeah, you did, Shauna, right? Actually, I think I began to look at ZBCN because of you. Are you married because you are so pretty? Yes, I am married. I've been married for 16 years, right? My husband is in the chat, actually. Here we go. But ZBCN is my baby. Guys, that goes to show you. I've been in these trades for 5 days. This goes to show you, right, that you have to be patient, and sometimes the trades don't just go. Kareem, you're welcome. There he is. That's my husband in the chat. There we go. Here we go. Guys, let's go to the 8 hour, right? Here's the 8 hour. Here's ZBCN right here. What did I see here? That was interesting, guys, right? Shauna said, I believe that I started looking at this because of Shauna. Shauna, thank you, right? Here we go. This is a shoulder ahead. This is the right shoulder, guys. Once we get up and above this, we're going to work through the time frames, but this is how we go in here. Look at ZBCN. We've got an Adam and Eve double bottom here. Guys, it's about to break out. Here is the Adam bottom. Adam and Eve double bottoms are one triangle bottom with a rounded bottom. Here it is. Here is the Adam bottom. Here is the Eve bottom. How do you measure that, guys? We were also in several bull flags that did not break out to the target, right? Let it be known when it was 0.008, Shauna killing it. Here we go. Here we go, guys. From the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the bottom. Guys, Adam and Eve double bottoms. He's a faithful husband. He only follows BB. He does. He does, right? Here we go, guys. Adam and Eve double bottoms, they are one of my favorite patterns. You guys know that if you've been in here for a long time, right? Here's how you measure them. You measure from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the bottom. When it breaks out of the trend line, you drag that trend line to the supposed breakout. Guys, we are right here, right now. We break through this level, 0.0028391. Shauna, where are we going? Where are we going? We're going here at 0.0030340. There we go, right? There is one pattern. What do we have after that, guys? I'm going to remove these because I don't need them anymore, right? There we go. What do we see here, guys? Another Adam and Eve double bottom. Let's go, right? ZBCN powering up. Could it lose footing? Absolutely. But look at this, guys. When we see repeat patterns over and over again, that is the chart telling you that it wants to go there. I am lost. What are we looking at? We're looking at ZBCN stands. Nice to see you. Yes, Adam and Eve. Crude setting up a stair-step extension. VIX following. Further bear. Do not trust any pop. Guys, we got to be careful, right? And the alts are not directly following Bitcoin right now. So some of these alts could have a pop while Bitcoin fails, right? Here we go, guys. We break up and above this level right here. This is a pattern trade. Why? Adam and Eve double bottom into another Adam and Eve double bottom, right? Here we go. 73,847 is a strong level. I've been posting since last year and previous. There we go, Bagman. Good morning, hundreds. Nice to see you. Patrick Bolster, thank you so much for the gifts. Have you ever had a Trump tweet ruin a pattern? Jordan, all the time. Dude, all the time. Guys, we are not cemented in our thinking. So what I say here is not financial advice, right? We can get a Trump tweet, turn around, come down. Farrell's telling us not to trust this pump, guys. We can turn down in just a second, right? Right, yeah, Shauna, I see the big flag we broke out of on the daily. That's actually why I entered the trade in the first place. Here we go, guys. We measure from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the bottom. Look at this pattern mathy trade. Guys, here we go. There are always variables, guys, in trading, always variables. It can turn and change on a dime. That is why we remain fluid, right? Trading this interesting during a war, props to you. Thank you, Jordan. I'm doing what I can. And to be honest, Jordan, I'm taking way less trades right now, right? And I'm in them for way longer because there's a lot of chop. Here we go, guys. Adam and Eve double bottom into an Adam and Eve double bottom. Where is our next target? Guys, here's your levels on ZBCN, right? There's still room to get in this trade if you want to get into it. And yes, we need to get up and above this. Jordan, I'm so glad you stumbled in here today. Thank you so much for being in here. Guys, I have always said you plan your trades more than you are in them. If you are not planning more than you are trading, you are doing it wrong. And as you guys have seen, I have legacy trades that I have planned for 9 months or almost a year. Those things are the trades that are going to make me a lot of money in the end, but I'm not entering. I'm being patient, right? Until we confirm. My thoughts this morning was the consolidation phase, which I mentioned previously before on your live. Yeah, there we go. Others, BTC looking spicy. Guys, here's your levels on ZBCN. I'm going to give you the downside as well, because I always do. Gavstad, nice to see you. Thank you so much for the gifts. 0.0028370. First level to the upside, right? Next level to the upside. Patience is one of the largest P&L deciders. Yes, it is. 150%. Guys, you can be the best pattern. You can be the best person to pick out patterns. You can have a great strategy. You don't have patience, you're not going to win. Period. Patience and discipline. And guess what, guys? You are the only ones that can control that thing. You cannot control the chart, but if you control those two things, killing it, right? Here we go. 0.0028309. First level to the upside. Next level to the upside is this resistance. 0.029493. Next level is the target of that first Adam and Eve double bottom. 0.0030312. Next one is this, guys. We have a resistance level. Actually, guys, it's here, right? There we go. Guys, look at this mathy trade. Here we go. Go up to here. 0.0030919. That is the resistance level at the top of this slanted W. Guys, this is a huge trade. We get up and above here at 0.0031010. Guess what? We are breaking out of a massive W pattern to the upside, which is why I took this trade. I took this trade because of what Shauna said. There is a bull flag on the daily and the weekly. The weekly bear bull flag has already broken out. Market volume is not matching price action. Uh-oh, Skyman, we got to heed that, right? Here we go. We break out of this level right here, 0.003101919. We break up to this level at this resistance level at 0.0031835. Guys, we are going up here. And where are we going after that? This is the target, first target, that second Adam and Eve double bottom, 0.0033040. And guess what? Next one is here at 0.0036477. The weekly would take us to 08. Actually, Shauna, I think I have 09, right? I think I have 09. Hold on one second. Did I erase my line? I think I did. Here we go. Let's 1 minute time frame action happening. Uh-oh. This is ZBCN, guys. We're going to go to the weekly so we can see that. Bull flag right here, guys. Here's the bull flag that it's breaking out of, right? Actually, I see it more as a falling wedge, right? But even then, it would bring us up to here. 71686, and then to here at 0.009533. I just want to make sure you see this. Yeah, I do, right? Because if you pull that bull flag right here, here's the pull. Here's the flag, guys, right here. If you pull this, that's where it takes you. We've broken out about here, 87882, Shauna, right? 0.0088284. There we go. There we go, Shauna. Great luck, right? When I run blockade ends, are you bullish or bearish? I do not trade news. I only trade the chart, right? The chart usually reflects the news, so I don't get mixed up in the news. If I get mixed up in the news, I will trade wrong, right? I will trade wrong. It's got that buffer kite like the song and the flag out. Exactly, guys. Right? There it is. Let me give you the downside on ZBCN. We always give you the upside and the downside. Why? Because we don't know exactly where it's going, guys. I want you to be prepared either way, right? So we always give you the levels. Here are the levels to the downside. I'm going to pull this up. There we go. All right, first level to the downside. We need to hold this diagonal trend line right here at 0.0027319, right? This will be a big wave. Yes, it will, right? New York VIX chop range, 3.5%. Not the North Sea, but close. Bear fish hook vibes daily, 8, 4, and 1 hour charts. A bull or bear for crypto, Pharaoh. Johan, milk and honey, thank you so much. News could get you wrecked. Yes, it could, Skyman. Right? SHIB finally dropping some. There we go. Guys, we need to hold on to this level at 0.002729289. This is your first level to the downside, guys. First level to the downside. What's our second level to the downside, guys? It is here. And then, Blake, I'll go to your pick. We're going to go to XRP in just a second, too. Right? Second level to the downside. We break this level. We're coming down here to this support right here at 0.0025317. That is your next level to the downside. And what is your next level to the downside on ZBCN? If we start coming down, 0.0023073. I only news trade. Never have traded charts, but I want to trade charts now and do both. There we go, Jordan. I'm so glad you're in here. Inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour. Lauren, let's check it. Yeah, inverse head and shoulders. It's actually an Adam and Eve double bottom, right? Because there's an inverse head and shoulders here. You're absolutely right. Guys, there is patterns inside of patterns. Oh, no, that's my stop loss. Oh, no, Shauna. Uh-oh, this one. Yeah, be careful, guys. This market environment lacks fundamentals. It's mostly been news-driven. Absolutely. Right? Lauren, that's absolutely right. Look at shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Guys, this is filled with bullish patterns right now. Does it mean we're going straight up? No, it doesn't. Facts, said Farrell. There we go. Absolutely. Skyman and Farrell, thank you so much for your input. Bagman and ARC and Shauna, thank you so much for the ones who put input into this chat every single day. I appreciate you. Lauren, you got one. Nice job. Guys, Lauren, you're killing it, right? Here we go. We're going to go to one of Blake's picks, and then we're going to go to XRP. Those are your levels on ZBCN. What I will say is this. Let's check the 15-minute. Let's see if we have it. Crypto has factors. That stocks don't perm liquidity. Printing indicators won't work prop. I don't mean that. I see patterns. Yes, you do. Let's go. Did a few leverage oil trades on a hyperliquid on Iran news, but chart probably is a good opportunity I'm missing. Yeah. Guys, you learn to chart. You can learn to trade, and you can pull money out of this market every single day. What I will say is this, we are dripping out, right? Very, very likely we're going to hit this level right here at 0.0027218. Next level is down here at 0.0025322. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Hey, Blake, which one do you want first? Because I'm not going to do them back to back. Which one is the most important one to you right now? Blake, let me know. Guys, Blake gives us trades, gives us new things every single day. And I will say, he is not always right, but he has been a ringer. Let's go to base. Base broke out yesterday. Big time, right? Big time. Guys, I have a list. I'm just going down the list. We're going to try some new ones today. I can't do everything. I just don't have the time to, but I thank you for being in here every single day. Thank you so much. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you for being in here. I have so much fun with you guys. We have great mods in here. We have a great community. If you are new, please follow me directly from this live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I have about 300 of them. They will try to follow you into your DMs and scam you. So please click my photo right now. Follow me directly from the live, or else you will get copycats. It just takes a second, guys. Right? It just takes a second. If you guys could also share this live out, that would be awesome. 188 people in the room, 36K likes. Thank you so much for being in here today. Here we go. Thank you for the follows. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Sorry. All right, here we go. We're going to go to base, guys. Base is the Blake pick of the day. He had this days and days ago. And if you are in our group on Skool, it is the first link and the link in my bio. It is free for 7 days. Come try it out. If you want to learn to chart and to trade and to be in a community with like-minded people and educated people, guys, come jump into that group. First link in the link in my bio, 7 days free trial. Come try it out. Right, guys? I'm also sponsored by Bitunix. We have a trading competition going on right now. There is up to $12,000 worth of prizes. If you are a leverage trader, all you have to do is join Bitunix. You can actually make another account if you're already on there. One account, right? One account. It is non-KYC. You can use it in the United States. You can leverage trade crypto, gold and silver, and crude. If you guys want to join that trading competition, you go to Bitunix. If one of my mods could pin this, bitunix.com, and put in the code in the invitation code, Bullish Babe, you will get a 20% bonus on deposit for anything over $100. And you will also get entered into that trading competition. So come and join us today, guys. If you're not a leverage trader and you don't know how to leverage trade, please do not do it. Only experienced leverage traders should be joining the competition and for the bonus, guys. Right? Babies on the bear pulls, bear extension engage, whole market downside, upside in materials, energy, dividend sectors. There we go. Thank you so much, Eric Watson. Here we go, guys. Oh, look at this coming down to our target right here, guys. Right? There it is. Let's go to base. All right, guys. Base. Ah, look at base. Look at base. Blake. This thing is killing it. Guys, what do we see here on the 15-minute? Right? A big old bull flag. Here it is. We are forming some kind of, do I have a public Discord server? No, I don't, Jordan, but I do. What I was just talking about is I have a group on Skool. It's a classroom. It's not a Discord. It's not a Signals group. I'm in there every single day teaching at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I teach a class in there every single day, and I do a stream on Saturdays. So if you want to join, it's in the first link and the link in my bio. It's 7 days free right now, so come and try it out. All right, here we go, guys. From the top of the poll to the bottom, there's the bull flag, guys. Right, here we go. Pull this out. What are we looking at here? What is base about, BV? Oh, God. I didn't even do more research, so I'm not going to talk about it right now. But, guys, you should be looking at base and doing your own research, right? And it seems to be, and I have to do a little bit more research before I talk about it on here, right? If it seems to be a solid project, but you guys have to do your own research, go and research it today, right? Based USD. And they do have a version on Bitunix that you can trade. It is base USDT, right? Blake, I promise I'll do more research on it and I'll talk about it. I'll do a video about it. All right? Here we go, guys. I like to do a lot of research on any project that I put out to you guys, right? Because I don't put a lot out to you guys. It has to be a solid project. And to be honest, I don't like to talk about it unless I buy it and hold it. So Here we go. So everything in here, guys, is a suggestion to trade, right? That's what we're doing here. These are not buy and holds for me, okay? Here we go. We are in a big bull flag to the upside. And actually, I'm going to take a little bit lower of a, let's go to a higher time frame here. Guys, look at the Stokes. What I will say is this. The 15-minute flag looks like it's going to pop out. It's right here, right? There it is. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. This looks like it wants to pop out here. If it does pop out and holds onto these moving, oh, look at it trying to pop out right now, Blake. Killing it, right? Here we go. We are trying to pop out of this right now. Look at this. Right there. Look at this. Breakout candle, right? We break out above this wick right here at 19,973. Very, very likely. We are popping out of this bull flag to the upside. First, guys, here's your target. Right here, 0.26435. Trading educational purposes only. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, right? Thank you guys so much for the follows. Here we go. We pop out of this bull flag to the upside. 0.26355, guys. That's where we're headed, right? Look at the Stokes and the RSI aggressively curving on both. The RSI 6, which is my orange line right here, is trying to push through the 12 and the 24. Marcia, I don't know what your question is. You can pop it in here again. I'd be happy to answer it, right? Here we go. ST has good utility as well as base. There we go, guys. We are trying to push through the 12 and the 24 to the upside. That is usually when we get a large move. This may move right now. Good morning, Timmy. Nice to see you. BTC, swept liquidity, might get a short-term pop, low time frames. Let's go, Skyman, right? We need to get back up and over resistance levels. Guys, base is looking juicy on the 15-minute. 15-minute looks like it wants to push up and out of this bull flag to the upside to 26,355. We push up there, guys. We've got some more room, right? However, base is a little bit hard to chart right now. Low of day incoming on utility. Uh-oh, Pharaoh, right? Doc, do I think BTC has been in a bull trap? It might be, guys. I am not convinced of this pop until we get up and over 87.8, right? So it could be. Absolutely could be a bear trap, right? Look at this thing trying to pop out right now, Blake, right? Here we go. This is hard to chart. Why? Because we are forming a parabola. What is a parabola, guys? It is a half moon shape. And what it does is this. We make a bull flag. We come down to the moving averages to retest. We jump off of the trampoline, which is the moving averages, into another bull flag. We did it here again. We came down, touched the moving averages, and went. And guess what? We are doing it again, right? We are doing it again. We are in a bull flag. We have come down, touch the moving averages to trampoline off them. Very, very likely we're going to make it up to this level. Now, downside, guys. I'm going to go to the 1 hour. We're going to take a look at the 1 hour. Excuse me. Macro bear trend continues, so everything is on the cards. Exactly, Skyman. Guys, I have been bearish in here midterm since I've been on this app, right? Since I've been on this app, it continues. I continue to be midterm bearish until we get up and over 88 and then 108. I am 50% at 88. I'm 50% bullish at 88. I am pretty much 99% at 108.8. We are far from those levels right now. Volatile mathy math today. Uh-oh, right? But these 2% moves are exciting. Yes, they are, guys. We can be bullish on the day, right? BTC 7-minute turning up. Let's go, Misk Bag. I can imagine doing this during bull runs like last July is so fun. I've never done it during a bull run, Jordan, but I can't wait to, right? Here we go. Here's base, guys. What are our levels of support? I've got to pull them on the lower time frames. Base is really hard, guys. Bear with me, right? Here we go. What I will say is this. Where do we have support? I mean, this is the problem, guys. We have support down here. This is really the only support I can see. Right? RSI is curving up. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go in the 15-minute. And actually, it looks like it wants to go here. Guys, I think this is going to break out while we're on stream. And guys, guess what? It is. You can't chart price discovery, can you? Barely. Right? It is very hard. Once you get into price discovery, guys, there is no support. What I am trying to find is if this comes down, right, where could we bounce off of? And we could bounce off of 11,787. That is the only thing that I can see right now. right? Once you are in price discovery, which means you are up and over all of the local resistance that we have had, and we are in no man's land, it is very hard to chart. All right, Blake, thank you for giving me a really hard to chart one, right? There we go. Guys, base is looking bullish, right? And we are breaking out as we speak right now. We get up and over this wick at 19.923. Let's go. Might be baby drop math. Pharaoh running counter to markets. There we go. Here we go, guys. We get up and over this. We're going, right? Let's go to ETH. Let's see what ETH is doing. Here we go. I'm going to try to cross these off of my list, right? We never get to all of them anyway. Here we go. ZBCN. All right, here we go. Let's go to ETH, guys. Let's go to ETH. Actually, what we're going to do before we do that, your extension matches baby drop. Oh, my extension matches baby drop math. Guys, Farrell is saying this right here, right? This extension right here at 26,808 and this right here at 11,803. That matches the baby drop math. Farrell, there we go. There we go. Look at that ETH M patterns. Right? Farrell, thank you so much. I love when Farrell finds things on her end that match mine. Right, guys? That is Confluence. Thank you so much. Base got listed on Coinbase. There we go. Confluence, guys. Confluence with other people is so valuable in here, especially when the other people are not looking and following the same exact things that you are, right? There we go. Is it Googleable? I don't know. 501, right? Johan, Jackie, Milk and Honey. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Here we go. Let's go to BTC dominance. Here we go, guys. Are all of our alts dropping too? Yeah, a little bit, right? Not horribly. Not horribly. SHIB, yeah, I mean a little bit, right? Here we go, guys, right? Here we go. BTC dominance, right? It was in this head and shoulders pattern. Guess what, guys? We hit our, almost hit our target, right? We popped back up here, but now what is it doing? It is forming another bull flag, another bear flag, I believe. Look at this. It is right here. This is going to drop down to our target. I really think so. I am not 100% sure. Maybe. I know baby drop is a common term and pull extension math applies. There we go, guys. Here we go. Here's the pull right here. Here's the flag right here. This is another bear flag that could possibly. Alex, Hollywood, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. We dropped this right here. Here we go. We need to drop this level right here on Bitcoin dominance, right? Right here, 59.46. We dropped that level. We're going straight to my target. If you guys want to see those targets, they are in my post on TikTok. You can take a snapshot of those levels. Alex, thank you so much, right? Here we go. We dropped to this level at 59.36, guys. We keep on going. We're done. Here we go. That could be an altcoin season. We are also curving over on the 15-minute, and the hourly is coming down along with the 4-hour, right? Along with the 4-hour. There we go. Right? Let's go to, actually, guys, we got to go to XRP, and then I will go to ETH. All right? What is Bonk doing? I got to check on my trades while I'm here. Right, guys? Here we go. All right. XRP. Here we go. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP is forming a bit of a bear flag too, guys. Right? Here we go. Let's go to the 4-hour. Here we go. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. Sorry, I haven't stopped enough to say this. Thank you so much for being in here every day. My mods in here are some of the best people I know. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. Rude Boy, Assistant, Money Talk, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you so much for being my mods. I appreciate you guys every single day. You make this stream go so smoothly, and I appreciate that and all the help. Guys, they volunteer on a regular basis. Thank you so much for helping me out. Base legitimately is up 20%. There we go. Guys, give Cosmic Crypto a follow. He's my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show. We have that show today at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. He is a great creator. He has a lot of information to share, and he's taught me a lot about these markets. Give him a follow. E-swept liquidity at 22.82. Low time frame bullish divergence forming. Let's go. Right? Guys, thank you so much for being in here. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. If you haven't followed me, I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to be part of our community, please follow me directly from the live right now. Just click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Hit that bell for notifications. Otherwise, you will get a lot of copycats. I have about 300, right? And they will all try to scam you in your DMs. Guys, it is not a follower account thing. It is a safety thing. please follow me directly from the live. Hank, Cam, Hank, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Right? Playing with house money. There we go, Blake. Here we go, guys. On XRP. I know this is a biggie. Here we go. What are we doing? Right? We are in this channel, inside another channel, right? And actually, is this the one that I want? There we go. Okay, here we go. We're doing the same thing that we are doing on a lot of the alts, guys. We have broken out of this right here, W pattern, right here on the 8 hour. Now the 8 hour is curving over and we have a money flip on the Stokes. Man, do I not like that for XRP. Why? Because if we break this level, here are your levels, guys. We have broken out of this W. Our target of this W should have been here at 146.29. It might retest 136.9. It may, Skyman, right? Absolutely. What is that? Is that one of the value area levels or is that just a liquidity level? Guys, Skyman, listen to him. He has all the levels. Thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you. Here we go. Guys, if we, this is the target of that W pattern. So here are the two things. Yeah, I don't want to dip, but we're going to dip a little. Yeah, it looks like it. Guys, we've had a run. We need to take a breath, right? We need to take a breath. Weekly trend line from previous bull run. There we go. Chelsea, pop into crude. It's looking charged. Uh-oh. All right, guys, I'm just taking a quick look at crude because that's what Pharaoh looks like. We're running inversely to crude, right? And if crude is charged and looking like it wants to go, I still see this 8 hour rolling over Pharaoh. However, I bet you're looking at it on the 1 hour or lower time frame, right? Here we go. Let's take a look. We do have, so we do have some lift off here. That's not a great thing. That's on the 1 hour. Let's check the lower time frames. Lower time frames are trying to pop up here. But what I will say is that this looks, to me, looks more like a bear flag than anything. What would invalidate that is this. We get up and over these levels on the 1 hour. Let's take the curl. Yeah, it's looking a little hooky to me. Spinning top though, ma'am. Yeah, it is. Guys, what I will say is this. The 1 hour, we know we are in a diamond, right, guys? I plotted this out maybe a couple of weeks ago now. I'm not even sure, right, Farrell? We're in a big diamond right here, right? But here's the thing, and we have now hit the bottom of the bigger diamond. We're also at the bottom of the smaller diamond. Very, very good chance this wants to recover up to the upside of the diamond. So to be honest, Farrell, this, if we're playing just the pattern, that is where it would go. Right? However, the 8 hour is still looking like it wants to curve over. 6 minute bullish divergence. Michael for the liquidity at 142. There we go. Travel to the top sends in the bear. Yeah, guys, we don't want to travel to the top on crude, right? We don't want to travel to the top on crude. That is not a good thing for Bitcoin at all. Yeah, Pharaoh, let's just check the lower time frames. Hold on a second. Yeah, this looks like it wants to go. Guys, this might be trouble. Right? I'm so glad you just had me pull this up. This looks like it might be trouble. Now, here is what will invalidate this. If we get up to the moving averages, where are the moving averages on the hour? You can't really see them. Here we go. So the moving averages are right here, right? We've got the moving averages. They're coming down here. If we start to open 1 hour candles up and over, yeah, MCL1, right? That was for XRP. Yeah, I'm going to go back to XRP in a second. Guys, if we start opening 1 hour candles in crude above the 1 hour SMA and the smooth moving average, that is not good for Bitcoin. So we're going to have to watch this. It does look like it's a little charged, guys, right? That doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Although Bitcoin dominance is dropping a little bit more. So that's not bad. 200 MA is 93.64. Lose it on the 1 hour, it will fall. There we go, Bagman. But we need to lose it. And right now, the majority of the time frames are looking up. Right? Didn't I say BTC would get rejected this morning? You did, Blake. You did. Here we go, guys. Let's go back to XRP. Right? Here we go. Here's your levels on XRP. We are sitting right on our support here. We fall through here at 139.44, right? Skyman, what was that level you just said? 139.20? Was that it? Guys, if we fall through here, we are invalidating that pattern, that beautiful pattern that we just jumped out of. I hate to see that. 136.90. Yeah, there we go. Yep, 136.90. Guys, Skyman said 136.90. We fall here. We could retest the 136.90, which is right here. And guess what? That is look at support, resistance, support, resistance, 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 resistance. Guys, that is a strong level right there, 136.90. We fall through this level that we are currently sitting at. Ooh, I dig the 4 hour. That's what Bagman was saying. And I was saying that the 8 hour is looking not strong. If that 4 hour starts to drop like Bagman said, we could come down instead of go up. Swing failure. Exactly. Right? Base pop. There we go. Guys, here are your levels for XRP. We've gotten a little sidetracked here, but this is what we have to do when the market is doing what it does, guys. The market does what it does. We cannot help it. This is why you are fluid, right? You can pivot and move as the market does. And if you do not do that, you will get stuck, right, guys? We came in here ultra bullish. Guess what? We're having a little bearishness to the downside. Cam, Hank, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. BTC shorts looking great. Tom, Shipway, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels on XRP. They are here to the upside. First level to the upside is here at our target, right? Right here. If we hold this level and we pop up 140.22, right? We don't hold that level. If we hold that level, where's your next level? It is right here at 153.73. That is a resistance level to the upside, right? News-driven markets do this. Absolutely, Skyman. Base going. Guys, base is going to that target. Let's go. Guys, this is why charts matter, right? These patterns are a map. They show you where they want to go. It is money flow, volume, and the direction of money that changes things. And those things can be changed by news, guys, right? Everything else is a map in here that leads you where it wants to go. Okay? Here we go. We get up and above this level. Guys, if you haven't followed me, please follow me directly from the live. Click my photo right now. Follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. I have 300. If you type in my name afterwards, you will likely get one of them and not me. So please follow me from the live if you like this content and you find it valuable. Bear flag on the S&P is strong and holding. Chop. 7,013-ish. This is good. Buffers the bear drive. Guys, do you hear what she's telling you? Right? What she's telling you is this. They are buffering us so that we don't fall too far. That is a really good thing. JD Snoop, nice to see you. Hey, BB, that's a good question. How high do you see base going? We're in price discovery. It will go as far as those bull flags will take us. Guys, what happens in price discovery? Then I'll get back. Guys, I am highly ADHD, if you haven't noticed, right? So I will scroll all over the place. We'll finally get back to XRP, I promise. Right? Here we go. I see it going when you are in price discovery. The only thing that you can go by, you cannot chart it correctly unless you have another pattern. So that can go as high as it wants to bull flag out and respect the parabola. Right? No, that's fine, Blake. Right? As long as it keeps bull flagging out and respecting the parabola, that is how high we can go. That is my only answer to that. Right? BTCW on the 1 minute needs to get above 74,344. There we go, Bagman. Raminta, nice to see you. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. The money makers are brilliant, protective, save everyone's bags to fight another day. There we go, Farrell. Right? Here we go, guys. Here's your levels on XRP. First level to the upside, 147.13. That is not a level. That is a target of that W pattern. Next level to the upside. Where are we, guys? We're right here, right? 153.73. That is a level of resistance. That will be our next level to the upside. What is our next level? And this is a big one. Use a fib chart from the last swing high and drag it to the bottom of the range. That should give you the fibs. Yeah, Skyman is absolutely right. Skyman, thank you so much for coming in with that brilliant information. You use a fib chart. That is how you can figure out where we are going. There we go. Made my day. Raminta, I'm so glad you're here. BTC daily close at this level would be very bearish. Yeah, hopefully we don't close. Right? Fibs are pretty on this. There we go. Price discovery forecast. Skyman, thank you. You are brilliant. You're such a G. Thank you so much. Right? Here we go. Guys, we get to this level. Here's your next level of resistance on XRP. 57.85. 157.85. We get there, guys. This is a big move. This is where you get a big move right here. I love that for us, Skyman. Me too. Right? Here we go. Shoulder, head, shoulder, to the upside. Guys, we break this level right here at 158.15. Where are we going? We're going up here to that target at 187.48. Let's go. Rich Nerd, wish we caught base at launch. I know, but guess what? Guys, if you are in this community in here, or you are in my off TikTok community that's in the first link in my bio, guess what? You would have caught base super early. Why? Because Blake is a genius. He is a G. And by G, I mean genius. Guys, he caught it super early. Blake, thank you. Right? Thank you for all of your input. Guys, this is the value. This is the value in having a group that has all different kinds of people that specialize in different things, right? That is the value of doing this, guys. We are a community. We work as a team. I legit have a Blake list. So do I. There we go. Blake is a G. Guys, come on in, hang out with us, whether it's just in this chat or it's in the group off TikTok. Guys, we have a lot of really smart people in here. It's up 190%, says Blake. There we go. Blake, thank you for your service. Thank you for your service, right? Because you have brought more ringers in here, I think, than anyone else. Thank you so much. What's the ticker? It's base. The ticker that I'm going over right now is XRP. All right, here we go, guys, right? Here are your levels to the downside. We bleed this level right here at 139.63. Skyman, hive mind mentally. We are better together. Yes, we are. We are better together, guys, right? No one can do anything alone. That we are better together. I've been in since yesterday. Formix, I'm so glad, right? I owe you a case of beer, Blake. Thank you. Keith is killing it on the base trades. Keith, congratulations. Here we go, guys. Levels to the downside on XRP, first level, 139.32. Next level is at 136.90. That Skyman said, is XRP going to blow only if we hold this support, right? Next level to the downside is right here, guys. On this diagonal trend line, it is also the top of the channel at 132.39. Next level to the downside would break us back into the channel, which we do not want to do on XRP. We had been in this channel since October 10th. Do we want to get back in there? No. Why? Because if we get back, big W, says Formix. Thank you so much, Formix. Right? Here we go. We get back into this channel from the upside. Guys, if you break back into a pattern that you have previously respected from the upside, where will we likely go? It will likely go to the 50% level in the channel and then to the bottom. So do we want to break back into this channel? No. Leon said, I'm here to the end. There we go, Leon. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Break this level, 129.39. These are the only levels I'm going to give you today, 124.98. Next level to the downside is right here, 124.04. There are your levels on XRP. What I will say is this, guys. 4 hour is looking dangerous, right? We are curving down to the downside aggressively on the Stokes and RSI. Is that a good thing? No, it is not. Right? We want to lift up. We don't want to curve down aggressively. Let's go to the lower time frames. See what's going on there. Here we go. 1 hour is lifting up. Let's go. Right? We are trying to hold this level right here. Do we have support from the lower time frames? Right? Let's take a look. 30-minute. Come on. 30-minute. Guys, we have some liftoff here. Can we hold these levels? VIX Bull set a dragonfly and opened a second strong. Here's for hoping. Flags or stalls. That's what I'm saying, Farrell. I'm seeing stalls, right? Lower time frames are coming up on the RSI and the Stokes to hold us, while the higher time frames are looking like they're rolling over. What she is saying is this. They are setting a buffer zone. They're allowing us to stall here, which may actually give us a lift up, right? Guys, that's what we're looking at. Guys, if you haven't followed me and you are new here, first of all, welcome. Say hello to me in the chat. I'd love to call you out. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do crypto charts every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if you haven't followed me and you are here and you're finding value and you'd like to learn how to chart and trade, please come on in. Follow me directly from the live. Hey, Bendy. Nice to see you. Click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. Do it right now, guys, so you don't miss it. And you can find me afterwards, right? Doji on the 4 hour. There we go, Bagman. Are we going to hold here? Possibly. Guys, I will say 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, all looking like they're hooking up. Farrell, Does this look like something that could happen from your end? Right? They're selling us, but look at these hooks. Lower time frames. Right, guys, thank you so much for sharing the live. That really helps. 205 people in here. Share the live out, guys. Press that share button. Just takes a finger and a button. Right, let's share this out to people who don't know about this. Thank you so much for doing everything you do for me every single day. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. I'm hearing base may hit $1. I don't know. Good. We're hooking out on the lower time frames, guys. Let's go. Right, there's your levels on XRP. Let's do ETH. Let's go to ETH, guys. All right, let's take a look at ETH. What a great song, right? This is a different mix this morning. I'll put something on in a little bit too. Raminta, thank you. TIA, ARC, I'll do TIA next, okay? Let's do ETH. Here we go, guys. Thoughts on Nokia. I don't have any thoughts on Nokia, right? Architect, Blake says it's going higher for base, guys. Let's see what happens. Here we go, guys. ETH. Let's go to the 8 hour. Actually, let's go to the 4 hour right now since things are changing a little bit. Look at those legs going up and down today. You got it, right? Thank you. I want to see a TIA too. There we go, right? There's my mom in the house. Hey, mom. Base getting resistance. 618 fib, possible bearish divergence, lower time frames. Guys, you got to watch for a rollover on base. Whenever it goes up that quickly, it can come down that quickly. So just watch it. Crude entertaining rebalance pullback. Hair trigger though, high volume, right? Hey, BB's creator, says Lauren. There she is, right? Here we go. We are on ETH. We're in an M pattern. Hey, Skyman, you called this, right? Is this what you were looking at? Don, thank you for the rose. We breathe, she says. Farrell says, we breathe. I just realized, y'all, I was looking at XRP, my target. Bagman, you seem a little like me today. We're a little scattered. Maybe it's just me, right? Maybe I'm rubbing off on you, the Bagman, right? Yeah, Skyman. Yeah, look at this M pattern. So, guys, here we go. Here's ETH. We have made it out of the channel, right? However, here's an M pattern right here. We breached this level, this diagonal trend line right here, right? Here's your levels to the downside. Then I'm going to give you the levels to the upside. Here we go. Small peak today. Maybe, Marcus. Good morning. Right? Here we go. Morning. I thought we were breaking out. Yeah, it looked like it this morning, but we got a little bit of a pullback. We're trying to see if we can hold. XRP, Leon, Don, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Spacey is in the house. He always shares this more than anyone. Thank you so much, Spacey. I appreciate you. You know I do. Thank you so much. Jamie, good morning. Here's an M pattern. Here's one hump of the M. Here's the second hump of the M, guys. We bleed this down. I'm on the 4 hour for ETH, right? Here we go. 2283. We break that level. Spacey, thank you for sharing it that much. I appreciate you. We break this level, 2283 to the downside. How do we measure an M, guys? We go from the top of the highest peak of the M, which actually would be here, down to here. We drag, Soul's showing strength. That's because of the memes, I bet, Farrell, right? People are jumping into memes again. So Soul would show strength. There we go. XRP, Danielle, thank you for the gifts, guys. Here we go. Liquidity, 2358. 2358. Oh, we got some liquidity above us. So, guys, Matthew ETH business. Guys, exactly. Adios. Mic too high. Have a good day. Chris, thank you. I appreciate it. You can turn your volume down, though, right? My mic is probably too high, right? I can turn it down, but then I screw with the volume and everything. When I do it, I screw with everything. Morning Bullish, assistant and team, thank you for all you do. There we go. Guys, we break down this level. Where are we headed? We break down 2282. Here's your levels on ETH. No, you sound great. Great. I'm always going to scream. I think it's the screaming that makes it sound horrible, right? Here we go. Sounds way better. Thank you, JD Snoop. Here we go, guys. We break this down, 2283. Here we go. Right down to the top of the channel at 2226, right? We break that down. Waka Waka, thank you for the follow. We love her. Loud and excited. I'm always excited. Are we headed up? Getting more positive? Maybe. No, don't touch it. When it works. There we go, Marcus. I won't. She's not yelling. That's her normal voice. There we go. Spacey, thank you so much for the heart me. Thank you so much for the shares. Thank you so much for the support. You know I appreciate you. Thank you. Here we go. Guys, we bleed this down. We're coming down here, right? We get back into the channel. It's a whole different story, right? Here is the upside potential on ETH. Here it is. We bounce off of this level right here. We bounce off of this level and we come up again. What are we doing, guys? Right here. That's what we're doing. This is what we're doing. I didn't see this before, but I see it now, right? But I see it now. This is what we're doing, guys. Look at it. Here we go. We're coming down to the downside on the 4 hour, but look at this curvature. Here we go. Protective kite, Pharaoh. There we go. Right? Look at what we're doing. We're in a bull flag on ETH, guys. We're in a bull flag. Spacey, thank you so much. Possible inverse forming 5 minute. Guys, what do I see here? 4 hour is dripping out of the RSI, but guess what? We are curving on the Stokes. Whenever I see curvature on the Stokes, on the cloud around the Stokes, what does that tell us? Can't change the screamer, bullish babe. Just change the live you're watching, and you'll be fine. Snowbird, so nice to see you. How are you doing? I'm so glad to see you back. One of the OGs. Guys, thank you so much. Snowbird, thank you so much. How are you feeling? Good? Better? I hope you're feeling better. I hope you're good and busy and doing well. It's so nice to see you here this morning. Here we go, guys. Curving Stokes, right? Where do we go when DMAC is in the house? Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We are curving on the Stokes. What is this telling us? That the lower time frames are probably curving to the upside. And guess what? We have a massive bull flag here. We stay in this bull flag. Guess what? We have a chance to bump out. Buffer is your bestie. Tip your hats to the geniuses working the moneymaker coins. You got it, right? Here we go, guys. We're in a big bull flag. Here's the pole. Here's the flag right here. If we do not breach this bottom trend line, we can pop out of this. And where are we headed? Here is the bull case. Can you show Bitcoin chart? I do that at the end, Pierre. I'm almost there. So I'll show it. Just wanted an update on XRP. I'll trade a 20,000 XRP on the bullish babe feeling prediction. I'll give you the levels in just a sec. Let me just finish ETH, Stefan, and then I'll give you the levels. DMAC, unless you were in here for it already, but I'll give you the levels. You know I'll always give you those levels. Here we go, guys. Bull flag to the upside. So we know. Oh, guys, I forgot about this. I'm so sorry. I forgot about this. Guys, we are in a massive, I'm so glad I zoomed out because I would have never seen this. We have broken out of a massive diamond pattern on ETH on the 4 hour. Guys, look at it. It is right here. It is beautiful. Where do diamonds go? Right? Where do diamonds go? Diamonds go directly to the target, to the place where they started breaking down into the diamond. DMAX, Spacey, thank you. Right? Here we go. We broke, guys, diamonds are, in my opinion, the most solid to, damn, I wish I was good at this. You will be one for freedom. Guys, here we go. Diamonds are my most trusted pattern, right? Out of all the patterns, on a women's finger or her neck, there we go, Silvered, right? Diamonds are my favorite all-time pattern. Why? They break right up to the target. Right? They are my most trusted pattern. I would trade diamonds every single day if I saw them, and look at ETH. We are not only breaking out of a diamond. Chart diamonds, make rings, you got it. Call me Stefan. I'm sorry. Stefan is here, guys. Here we go. We broke, what do diamonds do, guys? You break in from the top. You leave to the top. And where do you go? Where the exact pattern started breaking into, where are we going here, right? Where are we going here? We are breaking out of the diamond pattern. We have already broken out of this diamond pattern. Where are we headed? We're headed, in my opinion, we are headed up here to 3,049. 3,049, guys. This is a diamond pattern. We have already broken out of it. 3,049 for ETH. All right, there we go, right? And I didn't see that. Snowbird, Stefan, thank you so much for the jellyfish. I appreciate you, my favorite one, right? Thank you so much. You don't have to drop those gifts. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the gifts. I'm going to go to XRP in just a second. Guys, here we go. We're in this bull flag. We don't break out of there. Oh, there's that swan. Thank you so much, Stefan. You always do this. You don't need to do this. Thank you so much, right? Guys, we break up here. We are breaking up to the top of the diamond. 3,049. If we can hold on to this diamond pattern. Guys, if we drop 2213, Stefan, thank you so much. Boeda, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Here we go. We dropped this level 22.13. We're coming to the bottom of the pattern. Those are your levels on ETH. Here we go. 22.16. Right? Next level is here at 21.75. Next level is here at the 50% of the diamond at 2,099. Next level is down here at the bottom of the pattern at 2,032. There are your levels on ETH. To me, guys, ETH is looking bullish. Let's go. Right? God is good and the universe always providing. My heart tells me to share, so be it. Stefan, thank you so much, because you know where these are going? They're going to a young woman. The proceeds are going to a young woman who was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. That's where they're going this month. So thank you so much for sending those gifts. I appreciate you. Right? VIX Bull Gap is the triple. Oh, thank you so much, Stefan. I appreciate you. She does too. Guys, we are helping people every single day in here. Thank you. Right? Here we go, guys. I'm going to go to XRP. We're going to give Stefan the levels again, and then I'll move on. We'll do TIA, and then I think we're going to be done for the day. Right? Here we go. I want to stay in here all day, to be honest with you, but I have to be in class in school in just a little bit. So I am going to take a break, right? Here we go. Thank you guys so much. Stefan, thank you so much. One for freedom. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Stefan. You're such a G. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. One for freedom. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Every single gift helps. Every single gift is big because I get to pass them on. Thank you so much. Right? Here we go, guys. XRP. Stefan, here's your levels. Right? Here we go. Let's go to, where am I here? I lost my place. Oh, this is, I know why I can't find it. Because I am not on the right one. Here we go. Right? Here we go. Guys, thank you so much for being in here for so long today. I appreciate you guys. Here we go. Stefan, here's your levels. First level to the upside. We just hit it. Right? We just hit it. Right? Just a little bit ago. Now we have to hold on to this level. First level to the upside is here. 146.39. Right? It does look like the lower time frames want to actually, they actually want to push us up. Actually, I need the upside. Thanks. Yeah, here's the upside. First level to the upside is here at 146.25. Next level to the upside is here, actually, at this diagonal level, which I don't even have in place yet. Here we go, because I didn't think we were going to make it this far. Here we go, guys. Next level to the upside is here, right? So first level to the upside is actually here, Stefan, 143.17. Next level is at this target at 146.05. Next level to the upside would be up here at this level right here at 153.83. And the next level would be your big level right here. Stefan, we break this. This is where you have a big trade. Hey, Dean, nice to see you, right? So nice to see you. Stefan, we break this level right here at 158.23. You have a very, very big level, very, very big trade here. That, to be honest, if I was going to enter anywhere right now, and this is not financial advice, but if I were going to enter a trade on XRP, I would actually be patient to enter up and over this level right here at 157.94. I would wait for it to retest, and I would let it go. Why? Because this level is the top trend line of this shoulder to the upside. We break 157 decisively. Very, very good chance we are making it up to 187. And if we make it up to there, very, very good chance that we are going to start to run some of these patterns to 220 and then up here at 281. Stefan, is that all you need? Those are the levels. And to be honest, that trade up and above that diagonal resistance level of that inverse head and shoulders, that is the most risk managed trade, right? I know you're buying and holding, but I will just say NFA, guys, that is not financial advice. Whoa, Eric Watson, thank you. Stefan, thank you. One for freedom, thank you. Guys, we get up and over that level and bullishly retest. That is not financial advice. Thank you so much, Stefan. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, Eric Watson. I've never seen that one before. Guys, that is not financial advice. That is just what I'm looking at. That is what I would enter at. None of this is financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Do you think they'd be on TikTok? Probably not. They'd be financial advising, which is not what I am doing. Stefan, thank you so much. Eric Watson, that was a very sweet gift. Thank you so much. Right? Guys, thank you so much for all of the gifts in here. You guys are allowing me to pay it forward every single day. Thank you so much. We're going to go to TIA next. Thank you so much, Stefan. I appreciate you every time you're in here. I am glad you got to pop in today, right? An OG of an OG. Entry on the long should be at 138 or lower. That's not financial advice. Bagman, I wouldn't enter there. Why? It's not as well risk managed. You could be in that trade for sure. I'm just saying the most well risk managed trade is up and above that level, right? On the bullish retest. Bye, Stefan. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Here we go, guys. TIA. Have I not done this before? Well, you guys are going to see me chart this from the very beginning. Here we go. TIA, guys. There we go. Crypto. Thank you so much for the gifts. Absolutely, Stefan. Anytime. Here we go, guys. 4 hour on TIA. Let's take a look. What are we forming here? Here we go. Right? Here we go. And then we'll go back to BTC. We'll figure out where we're actually going for the day. What are we doing, guys? Can you let me know? We're talking about swing trading or a day trade. Yeah, swing trading, right? Not a day trade. A bit late. Hey, AI ignorant. Thank you so much, right? Here we go. Base still at resistance. 618 bid. There we go, Skyman. Right? It's just waiting there. Here we go, guys. We are at the top of a W pattern on TIA. Here we go, ARC, right? Swing trading always, actually, I leverage trade crypto. I was talking about someone else who is swing trading. However, guys, that you can do either. We don't care in here. We don't judge. You can do whatever you want. And to be honest, charting is a skill you should know, even if you are just buying and holding. Why? Don't you want to get the best entries possible? Yes, right? Guys, while I'm talking about leverage trading, I am sponsored by Bitunix. They are in the banner at the top of my live. If you go to bitunix.com and you put in my invitation code, BullishBabe, you will get 20% deposit bonus on futures trading for anything up and over $100, guys, up to a $400 bonus. Not only that, but we have a trading competition going on for the next 30 days. I know a lot of you guys are leverage traders in here, and a lot of you guys probably use another platform. But if you could, try Bitunix and see if you like it. It is my main trading platform. I have actually traded on there for 2.5 years, right? I trade on 3 platforms. I don't leave all my capital on one. Why? One goes down, you lose all your capital, right? But if you guys want to join that trading competition, we are already 3 days in. Join, right? If you're a leverage trader, just join for the competition, guys. Go ahead and go to Bitunix. Put in BullishBabe into the invitation code. You will get that bonus, and you will be automatically entered into that trading competition. I know a lot of you are good traders in there. Come on in. Is Blowfin okay? Yeah, actually, they're the other one that I trade on. However, and I may have an affiliate link for them soon too. But yeah, no, guys, no exchange is 100% proof, right? So hear me when I say that any exchange can go down at any time. It's why you spread out your capital, right? Here we go, guys. We are in a W pattern. This is TIA on the 4 hour. We are a little extended on the Stokes and on the RSI, right? But we are on everything. Here we go. You measure from the top of the bottom. Top of the W to the lowest part of the bottom, and you drag this out. Right here, guys, we break over this level, ARC, and whoever else is watching TIA. We break out of this level right here at 0.3876. Guess what? We're going, and it's a big one up here at 48.27 for TIA. We're going to go down to the lower time frames. We're going to see what we got going on. What I will say about TIA is this. We do not have a secondary pattern until farther up, which makes me a little leery that this may want to come back down and retest before going. However, what I do see is this. If we do make it up to here, Scott Davis, thank you so much. Crypto Jerry Bond, thank you so much. We could have another FTX type of event. Guys, always protect your capital. If you are just buying and holding and you are not trading, right? XRP, big jump on the 5-minute. Let's go, Marcus. Right? Scott Davis, thank you. Guys, we could have another FTX like Skyman is saying, protect your capital. If you are a buyer and holder, right? World effing liberty. What's going on, Farrell? Yeah, guys, world effing liberty. I cannot stand that one, right? And guys, it's not political. The reason why I can't stand it, they are basically taking retail's capital, lending against it, and then pulling out the liquidity. I did a video on it. If you guys want to see that, it is on my TikTok. right? And guys, this does not have to do with politics. What it has to do with is people in power using retail and using our investments. And it doesn't matter what last name you have, it shouldn't be happening. Rug pull. Rug pull by the president's family, right? Guys, it's unbelievable what they've been able to do. And I don't care if you like them or not, it is not right for crypto, period. Right? Here we go. Here is one hump of the W. Here's the second hump of the W. Here are your levels. ARC, drink a bit. Thank you. Guys, it is not good for crypto to have people in power rug pulling people in the crypto space. Do you know how bad that looks for us when we are trying to get mainstream adoption? Not good, right? Not good. Here we go. Here's one hump of the W. And to be honest, ARC, I think this may want to create a right shoulder. Why do I think that, guys? Whenever I see a wonky W, so here's your levels. First level to the upside is to get up and over 38.85. Next level to the upside is to get up and over this signal trend line at 48.22. We do that. Where are we headed? More than likely, we are going to want to create a right shoulder. Shoulder, head, rebalance shoulder, like Farrell says, right, Farrell? This looks like it wants to come down to this once we get up to this level and create a right shoulder, right, guys? So do not be surprised if we get up here and they want USD1 to replace the dollar, guys. That is a horrible idea, right, Skyman? Horrible, right? We should not have a stable coin built by anyone who is currently in office, right? That is going to be the replacement of the dollar. Do you know how corrupt that is? Crazily corrupt. And again, it's not political. It's about the crypto space. It's crazy, right? Here we go. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside, right, guys? If we get up here to this resistance level right here at 48.22, very, very likely it's going to want to come down and rebalance. Call your reps. Absolutely, guys. It's going to want to come down here to this level right here at 38.85 and rebalance and come back up and break out. If we break out of here, where are we going, guys? You measure from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the head. You drag this to the supposed breakout. Now, can it break out of a wonky W? Yeah, it can, right? Not a political stream, but politics affects markets. Unfortunately, you got it. Guys, I don't care what your politics are, right? I really don't. I could care less. What I care about is crypto and the way that it makes our space look when we are fighting for legitimacy, right? That's what I care about. Here we go, guys. We break out of this level, 44.37. Here we go, 70.31. This is a big move on TIA. 8 hours looking like it still has a little bit of steam in the stokes. What does the 4 hour look like? Oh, the 4 hour looks like it wants to roll over a bit, guys. Could we get this push? Head and shoulders for a fresh up run to the moon. You got it. You got it, ARC. You're welcome. Thank you for being in here every day. Scott Davis, thank you so much for the gifts, right? Oh, Wall Street is in the house. Nice to see you. Not political at all. Cryptocurrency is the future and needs to be protected from criminality. 150%. Guys, you can be neutral, right? But we have got to protect this space. What do I think about XRP? I think it's great. Do I think it's going to $10,000? No, I don't, right? 4 hours looking like it wants to roll over. 1 hour right here is looking like it really wants to roll over. Now, guys, here's the levels to the downside on TAN. Bagman is a jam GG. Yes, he is. I am so glad Bagman is in the house, right? We are glad for everyone who knows what they are doing and puts their input in. It is invaluable. Thank you, Bagman. Thank you, Skyman. Thank you, Farrell. Shauna put some in here today. Lauren put some in here today. Guys, thank you so much for what you do every single day. Here we go. Here's your levels to the downside. I'm going to go down to the lower time frames to see what we've got here, right? Oh, I like TRX too, Steve. Right? I like TRX too. Here we go. Here's your levels to the downside. I can see a little bear flag here forming. Here we go. Here's your first level to the downside. If this bear flag breaks down, guys, this right here breaks down a bear flag, right? This target right here is 35.20. Chelsea, for sure, we are in the first half of a diamond on the 5 minute on XRP. There we go, Marcus. There we go. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, and man, are they ever my best friend, right? Here we go. We break down this, guys. What are we breaking down? Another M pattern here. Here we go. Here's the breakdown. First level to the downside is here at 35.35. Next level to the downside is here. Here we go. Right? Top of the M. Bottom of the trend line. Drag this down to the supposed breakout. Where are we headed? We break this diagonal trend line down at 35.28. Very, very likely we're headed down here at 33.99, right? There's the next level, guys. What is our next support level? Let me just take a look here. I'm on the 12-minute Skyman. I'm on your favorite time frame, right? Man's enemy, haha, diamonds. There we go. Guys, we have a support level right here at 33.61. And guess what? That just happens to be where the 4-hour hits the simple moving average. That is a very, very good place to look for this. Okay, that's the one. There we go, Skyman, 33.61. Guys, we've got support there. That does look like we want to come down. Bear trap, says Bagman. There we go, Bagman. Thanks for being in here, right? There we go, ARC. There are your levels. I'm going to take a look at XT, which is another one of Blake's picks. All right, guys. I'm going to take a look at ST, USDT. Man, this song is a jam, right? This song is a jam. Here we go. STUSD, right? There we go. Guys, I'm going to take a look at this very quickly. Then we're going to go to BTC and we're going to hop out of here for the day. I'm sorry for the ones I didn't get to take a look at. Marcus, I'll take a quick look at AXL, but quick. All right? Quick. Here we go. All right, guys. Oh, Blake. All right, here we go. Is this it, Blake? Is this it? Bagman, will we see, I think, downside for tomorrow too, but hey, maybe, right? All right, guys, let's go here. 1 hour. Yeah, are you looking at the 1 hour? What are you looking at here? 1 hour? The 1 hour is looking a little droopy. What are you looking at, the 15? Oh, 30. There we go. Guys, this is another Blake pick. Blake, you're a G. I'm so glad you're here. What I will say is this, right? Here we go. Oh, yeah. All right. So ST, guys, we're not going to spend a lot of time on this because this is, how new is this, Blake? How new is this? This must be new. Guys, be careful with any one of these picks. Doesn't mean Blake's picks are bad or anything, just so you know, right? These picks, some of them are very new and they're volatile. So be careful, right? Yeah, guys, this is super new. So please be careful, right? Be careful. Here we go. I will say this. We are in. I mean, it's hard. This is hard to chart, Blake. I will tell you. Right? Guys, I'm going to tell you when it's hard to chart. Why? Not financial advice. Yeah, guys, this is not financial advice. What I will say is this. We are trying to break out of this falling wedge, right? This looks like a scam candle to me, so I'm popping that out. I don't do that all the time. Low market caps. Exactly. Guys, what I will say is this. We are trying to pop out of this. If we do pop out of this right here, this is not as mathy as I usually like them. I like the other one much better, base, right? But if we pop out of this, very, very likely we're going to make our way up here at 12,967, right? We do have some support right here. If we don't pop, so this is the first level, 0.072205. We pop out of here. Very, very likely we're going to try to bull flag our way up to here at 12,905. I don't like this one as much, Blake. It's just not as mathy and it's not as clear, right? However, could definitely run, and Blake always has the ring. Not always. A lot of the time has the ringers, right? Here we go. Here's your first level to the downside. We break 0.05997. Very, very likely we're coming down here at 0.04912. It doesn't have time on its side. Exactly. We need to see these charts play out. I don't like to trade things unless they're at least a few months old, right? Because if you trade things early, problem, right? BTC open a buy, pull 70,913 matches bear trap. I see the 1 hour bull too. There we go, guys. I'm going to take a quick look at AXL. There we go. Let's take a look. All right, guys, here we go. XLR, right? This looks like it wants to roll over too. What I will say is this. Yeah. Guys, enter at your own risk into any of these, right? These are not 100% proof. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Neither is anyone in here, right? So no matter what anyone says, they're not advising you to do anything, right? I'm pulling up charts that are requests from the audience, and that's it. So you always enter at your own risk. What I will say is this, right? 4 hour. Yeah, this is looking like this wants to come down, Marcus. This is looking like this wants to come down, right? wrapped in XRP over AXL bridge. This looks like it wants to come down, and this is why. Here we go. Marcus, here's your first move down, right? It's right here. Here's a little bit of a slanted Adam and Eve double top or an M pattern, whatever you want to call it, right? Here we go. BTC is back above the 50%. Oh, God. Here we go, Bagman. Get over my level and hold it, please. 74, 473. Let's go. Right? I'm a construction advisor, and you should not take what she says as financial advice. Exactly. Right? Here we go, guys. Measure from the top up here to here. This is what I'm seeing, Marcus. We break this level at 0.05797. Very, very likely we're coming down here at 0.05271. If we do not, and we hold this level right here, we could break up in a W. I'm going to give you the bullish and the bearish case. I'm only going to give you a couple levels right now because I can't run through this on a bigger time frame. We do have a W right here. We break down from this level 0.05774. We break down to here 0.05259. Right? Down expected. It's looking like more down, but if we hold this level right here at 0.05762, then it is very likely we're going to come up here and we're going to break this W. Right, guys? We always see bullish and bearishness. Always. It is the majority of where the Stokes and the RSI want to go that tell us where we want to go. We break this level 0.06347. We're coming here at 0.07177. All right? There it is. There we go. VC Crypto, I'm glad you stayed. Nice to see you. Right? Here we go. Guys, that's XLR. Right? Marcus, thank you so much for being my water guy in here to tell me to drink. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for being here. We're back up and over 70. What's everything else doing? Let's check here, guys. What's everything else doing? All right, here we go. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Marcus. Guys, there are people in here that are so helpful and so kind every single day. Thank you so much to them. Guys, if you are in here and this is your first time in here and you have not followed me yet, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if you haven't followed me, I have a ton of copycats, a ton of them, right? 300 or more. If you don't follow me from the live, it is not a follower account thing. It's a safety thing. They will actually come into your DMs. It will look like me and they will try to scam you and you won't be able to find me, the right me afterwards. So please, please, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats and you will not be able to find me. So at the high of the day, let's go, Farrell, right? Let's go. Guys, Sol is getting a bump. Why is Sol getting a bump? Because people are jumping into meme coins. When meme coins get a bump, Sol does as well, right? There we go. Sol does as well. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels on Bitcoin. They're going to be the same levels that we saw coming in here. Why? Because we're chopping around in a range. Here we go. We're going to do it on the 4-hour. Here they are, guys. Tom Bahama, nice to see you. She artsy. Yes, she is. There we go. There's Farrell. There's Farrell, right? One more question. Is Farrell on right now? If so, what does it look like on the Stokes at the bottom? There we go. Yeah, Stefan, Farrell's here. There she is. Yes, Popcat is popping today. There we go. Tom Bahama, nice to see you. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for the gifts and being in here today. Guys, here's the levels. First level to the upside for Bitcoin, 74. 472. Can we please just get up and above this? Right? Good day. Hey, D Longwell, nice to see you. We need to get up and above this. Guys, we're just fading around. We're chopping around in here. Right? First level to the upside, 74, 472. Next level to the upside, 75, 238. Guys, what I will see. Love her. Great couple you are together. What a team for crypto. Thank you, Stefan. She is unbelievable. She is probably the smartest person I've ever come in contact with in my life, right? Nothing but noise in here. Lucky 5, it's always going to be noise in here. I'm glad you're here, though, right? Consolidating up. Guys, look at what's happening here on the 1 hour. So are you. Thank you, Stefan. I appreciate you. Must close daily candle above 74. 315. Point of control to remain short-term bullish. There we go, guys. Skyman, thank you, right? Look at the 1 hour, guys, coming up aggressively. RSI 6 wants to push through the 12 and the 24 to the upside. We've got turnage on the Stokes. We have got to stay up and above that 74 5 level for me. We don't get up and above 75.4. Guys, we are not ever going to get... Oh, D Longwell with the dinosaur. Thank you so much. It's so nice to see you. Thank you so much for being in here today. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Look at that dinosaur. Crazy, right? So many cool gifts in here today, guys. Thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. Clay, thank you. Here we go, guys. First level to the upside, 74,487. It is my nemesis. We need to get up and above there. 74,287. Guys, me, Bagman, Skyman, Farrell, we're all in the same place. Thank you so much, D. I appreciate you. Guys, here we go. 74,487. We need to get up and above that. Next level, 75,297. That is our next level to the upside. And guys, it looks like we could get here. The 1 hour is curving up. What is it? Oh, guys, we have a money flip on the 1 hour right here. Money flip on the 1 hour. Let's go. Let's go. Right? Next level to the upside, 75,253. Next level to the upside is the target of that inverse head and shoulders on the higher time frame, 78,707. Damn, how much pre-workout? I don't know. I don't even know what that means, Fortitude, but I'm glad you're in here, right? Here we go. Up to the upside, 76,707, right? Next level of resistance for BTC. This is a huge level, guys. 80,052. We get up and over that level. Look at what we're breaking, all right? Sup, rude boy and assistant. There we go, D. Guys, so much mod love in here. My mods are the best mods on TikTok, in my opinion, right? Rude boy, assistant, money talk, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, Dream to Action, and B Rose. Guys, they work so hard in here every single day. Eric and the Eric Watson. I'm sorry, I missed you. Guys, he is a super mod. He is not only a mod in here, he is a mod in my off TikTok community. If you want to join that, please do. It is in the first link in the link in my bio if you want to come and learn how to chart and leverage trade or just trade in general or get better entries. Guys, come in and hang out in there with us every single day. Right? Eric Watson, thank you so much for all your help in both communities. Guys, thank you to my mods for all the help in this community. And for helping, and the assistant. I will say, the assistant helps me every minute of every day. Thank you to you. I don't even know if she's in here right now, right? She's my assistant in real life. She's been, we've been working together for 12 years, guys, right? I have small circles, but they are loyal circles, and they are the people that I run with. The people that I run with are the people that I trust. Thank you so much for being people that I trust in here, right? Missed most of the stream because I had to hoe before it rained gardening this time. Solano, come on, right? Come on. Here we go. I'm so glad you're back, Solano. Here we go. 79,887. Next level to the upside is here, guys. What are we breaking if we break this level at 80,000? Guys, this is an important level to me. Why? We break 80,000 and we keep on running and get up to 84K and get up and above 85. We get up and above 85. We are invalidating this bear flag on the daily. Guys, know how valuable it is if we get up and over this 85 level. We get up and over 85. Guess what, guys? I'm a little more bullish, right? Because this right here, here's a pole, here's a flag. We will be breaking this to the upside if we get up and above there. That is a very important level for me, okay? So there are your levels to the upside. Where are your levels to the downside? Where are supports to hold? They're right here, guys. And obviously, we suck at getting over my nemesis level. We suck at it. I'm listening while doing landscape work around the house. There we go, P-Dogs, right? Here we go. We're sucking at getting above this nemesis level right now. We need to hold it. Here's your level to the downside, 73,780. First level to the downside. Next level to the downside is down here at this diagonal trend line right here, right? At 72,235. Next level to the downside. I just shorted 74.4K for a scalp. Sorry. Listen, PBTC, I will tell you, right? If I wasn't on here, I would think there was a short in play as well, right there. Why? Because we can't hold it. We keep on fading to the downside, right, guys? Here we go. Next level to the downside is this bottom trend line of the channel. What I will say is this, guys. 71,156, right? Actually, let me give you these levels and then I'll tell you that. 71,156, 70,905, and then we come back down to this blessed level at 69,144, right? And if we fade that, we're going down to 67,367. Those are your levels to the downside. What I will say is this. When you get back into a pattern that price action has previously respected, like we have gotten back into this channel, and we get back in from the downside, there a lot of the time, it wants to go back to the top of the channel. So that's what I'm relying on right now is this. I am looking at that top of the channel as a level that we will most likely get to, right? Go to the 1 hour. Sure, right? That is what I'm looking at right now. Yeah, the 1 hour, Bagman, that's what I was looking at before. The 1 hour is pointed straight up. We have a money, right? We have a money flip, magnet math. Exactly, Farrell, right? Magnet math. The 1 hour is pointed straight up. However, it also does look like a bear flag, doesn't it? Right? We have to get up and over my nemesis, or else we are breaking down this right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We could have just bearishly retested this level and we could break this down. If we don't get up and over this level and then this level, to be honest, we don't get up and over my nemesis, we're coming down. Hi, guys. Hi, Bit. Nice to see you. All right? 74,486. Or else we're breaking down that bear flag. LOL, it's about to take out those shorts. Yeah, I think so too, Bagman. However, we have to give the bullish and the bearish case. Why? Because it could do anything it wants, right? FDG, exactly, right? Guys, do I think it's going up? Yeah, I just said that. I think that we're going up to the top of the channel, right? Eventually. Does that mean we're going right there right now? No, right? However, the 1 hour is pointed up aggressively and the Stokes have turned, and we have a money flip on the Stokes to the upside. We have the RSI 6 looking. Oh, there is Dan. There he is. Zero. All of it, he says. Bit, thank you for the gift. Jay Dan's in the house, guys. Give him a follow, right? He's a great creator. He does a lot of great lives, and he's a great chartist, too. He hates when I say to follow him, but do it. We always send after your live. I know, Bagman. It is like, hi, Jay Dan. How are you? Right? Guys, we always send after the live. Exactly, Bagman. I noticed that yesterday. As soon as I got off the live, it went. Right? Maybe I need to start later and stay on. Right? There we go. Here we go. From the down to the downside. Right? If we break down from here, this is where we're headed. But the RSI 6 is looking like it wants to pop up to the upside through the 12 and the 24. That is a good thing, guys. That's looking good to me. I think we have a better chance of going up than we do down right now. However, right, we always have the downside ready, just in case. Because if it flips, and if we can't get up and over that nemesis at 74.5, very, very likely we are bearishly retesting on a bear flag and we're coming down. Okay? All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to make myself big for a second. Flags or stalls off the VIX. There we go. Flags or stalls off the VIX. Crude is looking to test its bull flag. Uh-oh. Right, guys? We have got to watch out, right? It looks bullish right now, but that bear flag is right in your face, right? That's why we give you the bullish and the bearish levels, because we don't know where they're going, right? We just read the chart, and that is it, guys, right? Base consolidation below 618 fib, finding support at that value area high. There we go, Skyman. Guys, we're going to wind this down, right? Even though we have a little bit of like 80s or 90s jams going on here. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. We're going to do this a little bit backwards today. Guys, I am sponsored by Bitunix, right? It's right here. There, I am going to be fully transparent. If you use my code, I do get commission off of it, right? I don't know why anyone thought I didn't say that, but I say that every single time. Guys, it supports my channel. So if you are a leverage trader and you know how to leverage trade, I'm not calling all beginners to leverage trade. Right, guys, you should, as it should be. Thank you, Farrell. Right? There we go. Guys, thank you so much for the ones who have used my code. Thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate you. Right? Guys, only if you are a leverage trader. If you are, what is the harm in trying another platform? Right? To get a bonus. Right? You get a bonus if you join with my code, BullishBabe. Go to bitunix.com. Right? Go to bitunix.com, put in BullishBabe. You'll get 20% bonus for deposit on anything over $100 to a $400 bonus, right? Not only that, but we have a trading competition going on right now. It is based on percentage gain, not dollar gain. And if you want to come and join that trading competition, please do. Same thing. Go to Bitunix, use my code. There's up to $12,000 worth of prizes. So please come and join us there and join into that trading competition. It is only for the people in my campaign. So there's a very good chance you could win a prize in there, especially if you are a seasoned trader. So come in and join us there. Guys, I trade on 3 exchanges. You should never, ever trade on just one exchange and leave your capital on just one exchange. You should be splitting it up and trading on multiple exchanges like I do. Vanessa, DM me after the stream and I'll figure that out. We have a personalized rep there, guys. So if anything goes wrong, like she said, they did not give me my bonus, I can send your UID over to George and he will try and fix that for you. Okay. That is the bonus of being sponsored by them, right? We have a rep we can talk to right at the exchange. Yeah, absolutely. Just DM me. I will never DM you first, guys. So you have to DM me, Vanessa, but we'll try to get it straightened out. You do have to trade on there, guys. You can't just drop money in there and then take it out and get the bonus. That's not how it works. You actually have to trade a certain amount of volume, right? That volume is low, but you still have to trade it. So just so you know, you can use my code. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. Also, guys, I have an off TikTok group. I'm going there in about 20 minutes to teach a class. It is not a signals group. It is in the first link in the link in my bio. It is $99 a month. But before you let that deter you, most of the people in there have been able to make their subscription back in just a couple of trades, right? In just a couple of trades. There are a lot of people that are just paper trading in there. They start off paper trading. They go to leverage trading. We do this in the right way in my group, guys, right? We teach charting. Then you go to paper trading. Once you get comfortable, you go to real trading, right? I am not here to just make money off of you guys. I am in there every day teaching. It is supposed to be a half-hour class. It is usually an hour class every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right? We have a 7-day free trial right now. So you can come try it out and see if it's of value to you. We do drop trade setups in there, but mostly it is about the learning and education and community, right? You want to come in there and learn and grow and have people to support you along that journey. Come on in. First link in the link in my bio, guys. Thank you guys so much for being in here today. Thank you too, especially my mods, right? Money Talk, Rude Boy, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Cosmic Crypto, the Eric Watson, the assistant, Dream to Action, and B Rose, guys. Thank you for volunteering in here every single day. Thank you for all the gifts today, guys. 74-7, let's go. Let's go. Right? Bagman, right? There we go. Guys, this is what we do. We work together. None of us are always right or always wrong. But usually when we're saying the same thing, that usually is something that happens in here, right? So thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for the gifts. I am passing those gifts on, the majority of them, to a young woman who has been diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. Thank you so much for allowing me to pass those on and pay those forward every single month. I appreciate you guys, right? Not only that, thank you too. And guys, this is not just limited to these people, but these people help me in this stream every day. They see things that I am not seeing from a vantage point that I am not seeing it from. And together, we make up a great team. Thank you so much to Farrell, Skyman, Bagman, ARC. Guys, thank you. And I feel like I'm forgetting somebody. Thank you to those people that are in here every day helping me see things the way we see things. I appreciate you guys. Guys, lastly, and I say it every day, live in gratitude, right? I woke up this morning, Shauna. Yes, Shauna. Thank you. Shauna, she's the one that showed me ZBCN, guys, right? There are people, a hive mind. Exactly. I said Shauna every single other time but that. And guys, there are a lot of other people, right? I won't say everybody every single time, but there are a lot of other people that make this stream what it is. Thank you so much for being in here. You guys are my community. You guys have helped me so much get to where I am. I'm only here because of you. You guys allow me to do what I love every single day. Thank you for that, right? I can never, ever be grateful enough because you guys have given me the biggest gift ever. Thank you to those people who helped me in this stream. Live in gratitude every single day. Guys, we are put here to serve others. And if we are not doing that, we are not doing our job here. Guys, Our life is not about us. It's about what legacy we leave and who we affect in a positive way, right? You should be doing something for somebody else every single day. And if you're not, you're missing out, right? Not only are they missing out, bye Solano, not only are they missing out, but you are missing out, right? Gratitude and anxiety cannot live in the same place. And if you're anxious, be gracious, right? Live in gratitude every single day. I like today's bullet point mask. There we go. Guys, also, please do follow Cosmic Crypto. He is my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show. We will have that today at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come and join us, right? Thank you for all of the input that you put in here every single day. Again, live in gratitude, pay it forward, be healthy, have a great day. Thank you guys so much for being in here. Great show. Thank you, Skyman. I will see you guys all in Skool in about 20 minutes, right? Link is in the first link in my bio. Have a great day. Bye, guys.